I like you, but you crazy, man. I like you, but you crazy, man. Hey, Dennis. Welcome to episode 884 of the show. You could be doing anything but you're here. And oh my god, man. Stock market futures are sliding. VIX futures up 5+%. You want to look at it? You just want to see how nasty it is? Oh my god, man. That's not a good thing, dude. That's the like uncertainty measurement, right? The tool that measures uncertainty and fear in the market is ripping to the upside. So it would take probably a Christmas miracle of some sort for there just to not be a terrible day tomorrow. All right. All right, so it's Patron night, and we're going to hang out. We're going to do things. We're going to have a good time. You're just going to sit here and enjoy it. Bitcoin, a whole bunch of sweet nothings in our ear since you last saw me. Oh my God. Let's do this thing. Hello?
Fiat becomes devalued, like a couple people, myself included, have said, like, what point do you, at that point, you don't need to convert it back, you know what I'm saying?
Totally. What's up?
I don't think anyone's ever withdrawn from BitMEX anyway.
Well, I
Ever.
don't have it on Apple, but if you get the Samurai,
I have Kappa.
if you get the Samurai app, it'll like pretty instantly mix and send out your transactions, so you can use it for regular transactions, sort of like the Lightning Network, but it deletes the traces of where it came from. So this is not financial advice.
You live, Mitch?
I'm live. As F. We're here. We up in here.
Mega lag.
Oh yeah, mega lag. Well, we talked about Twitch. We could have done it. Very easy to switch the key in the OBS if you wanted it. But it's just a life we're going to have to live with if we want the tube of views. All right. So
Apple TV for everyone.
Apple TV, and we can do Twitch. Yeah, exactly. No, Twitch's app is amazing on Apple TV. It's so good. But it's like, hey, yeah, it'll cost you $180, but no big deal. Dude, it's worth it. I have multiple Apple TVs hooked up to multiple TVs. So it's so nice to be able to just, anywhere I go, if I just need to, mirror my screen, if I want to play music on that sound system or do anything I want, I just go in, boom, right here. And it's, named different. Each Apple TV's different name for the room I'm in or whatever. So I don't know, man. Streamlining things. But I'm sure there are alternatives that are much cheaper, like Roku, Fire Stick, or whatever. So wait, I need a sound check. Audio's okay, perfecto. Dude, it's so loud to me. And there's some woman screaming in my ear.
No, the audio is solid.
Non-sexually. So,
This delay from Patreon to YouTube is so weird to me. I gotta get used to it.
Yeah, you have to mute the stream. You only can be like, in here. You can't watch the stream. Unfortunately, you can watch it, you just can't listen. Look here, listen.
Yeah, I just realized that. This is cool.
Look
stuff.
here! Look, listen! Yeah, if you're starting to chat and all of a sudden it gets weird, you're shutting it up.
Yeah, dude, if I get weird, dude. If I get weird, man, you're gonna get destroyed.
Logan, shut up.
Shut up, Logan! Sorry. Okay.
Bruh.
That kind of weird. Pink Grub, man. Oh my God, dude. Pink Grub. Yeah, you're still pink, dude. You might just have to become Hype Kang. We could change your color to yellowish.
Pink Grub tipped $30.
Not for weak.
We hit 500 today before pulling back a little. Owen will spin.
But for Kangs. Jeffy, man, oh my God. Dude, are you kidding me? Oh my God, we got Pink Grub coming in with a 30. We got Jeffy, we got Hefe coming in with a 50 out the gate. Sweet mother God.
Can we get some hype for Golden Wheel Spin?
Golden Wheel Spins. El Jefe. El Jefe. Hey, I watched. I do. Oh yeah, yeah. It's like so much though. I'm like a U.S. I'm like the world's debt right now of chugs. Let me. We'll do it. Okay.
Billboard in Vegas showing all your chug debt.
Exactly. Dude, people doing documentaries on it, man. Oh yeah, we are screwed. All right, let me figure this out.
This is Vice. Today, we're looking into the chug debt. It's a serious problem swarming the YouTube community.
You gotta get a chug board, man.
Traditions are at stake. Oh, I'll chug.
Yeah, chug counter. You need a chug counter under the Bitcoin USD.
Oh, I could do that. No, we'll do it on the full screen, right? We don't need to do it like on
30K first.
Yeah, it's like full. I'm at 4. Let me text real quick. Let's see. Chug. Okay. Chug. Debt. Foe. Let me do a little outline to make it look pretty. Hefe, Grub, man, thank y'all. Freaking love y'all, dude. It'll be red.
Chart lit off, Wayne Batson, and then that was freaking hilarious. The run off the tips and the names and everything that was going on, and then you came into the Patreon chat. We had Mr.
Yeah, it reminded me of the.
How's this look on screen?
Days.
Yeah, it'll take 20 seconds. So.
What's up, Bankhead?
Dude, we got mega people in here that conversate.
You were saying you're like,
we conversating.
New York in the house, Long Island.
Oh my God, the Irukandji jellyfish connect.
That is too damn high.
It is too dang high. I agree. All right, we're spinning to winning. All right, here's one.
Maybe put like a bunch of zeros in front of the chug debt, so it seems like it could be a much larger number.
Social. Oh yeah, yeah. We'll do a 004. Everyone participate. That was Pink Grubs. Thank you, man, for the 30 herties. This is for El Jefe, the boss. Okay, it's bugging out right now. Skyward in here.
Let's get Mitch to secret agent status 007.
007 chug debt. That's never happened. I think this is the highest it's ever been. 4 chugs. Maybe we've matched it. Sorry, the wheel spin like bugged out. Here we go. This is for El Jefe again. Oh, Logan, you almost got wrecked. 2 socials now. Cheers. Got to work on that bearish divergence. Oh, I agree, right? Well, maybe the divergence, maybe we're so freaking bullish the divergence did play out with the bearish engulfing and the scrubby follow through. Again, right? What was the target when, at the end of the day, it was 89.75. And we got as low as 9,050. Nay. It was like 89.97. So we're almost there for maybe the back test. But look, man, all this positive momentum. We haven't had any negative momentum since February 28th on the 4-hour. That leads you to believe there could be much more selling. I mean, let's just be objective here. I know we all want Bitcoin to be kings, but you remember, like, before any of this happened, before any of the moves up happened, it was like we sell off, we rally somewhat 9150 to 9500, then we dump again, and then that's when we'll be getting that daily divergence that we so covet. Bruno Cruz, thanks for the $10 super chat. Kangs, oh my God, another spin. Okay, so we got the Irukandji jellyfish spinning for the most venomous jellyfish in existence. And it's a gulp. All right, we're safe. All right. So one more, and it's going to be for Bruno. I mean, y'all, hey, and I haven't even heard opinions. I used the razor for the first time in like a year last night. So, I'm full screen right now.
Like the phone? Or what?
No, razor, like as in shave my face razor.
Oh.
Dang, dude, you got to go throwback. Dang, dude, what time frame are we in?
Like a straight razor?
No, it's like a 3-blade razor Gillette Connect.
Yeah.
Not Gillette.
Why does no one know what I'm talking about? This is concerning.
I mean, I haven't shaved in 8 months, but when I do shave, I use the straight razor.
I just forgot like you ever had a beard. I'm already used to the smooth baby face.
Hey.
They have amazing.
Another social, dude. It's like printing chugs, Elliot Urbina. Yeah.
It's like printing chugs.
No doubt.
This is for Logan.
Oh, this one's for Logan. What does that mean? Do we allow spins under 10 if it's for someone else?
What? It's an under 10 spin?
I'll let it be on you. Someone tipped 589 and they said this one's for you. So
who was it though?
It was Elliot Turbina. 589.
All right. I'll just take a drink for it then.
All right, he's gonna take a drink. We don't need to spin. We're good.
No spinning needed. Thank you.
All right, are we caught up, chat? I think we're good. That's unless I missed it. Did I do one for freaking Bruno? No, it was the Air-Conji jellyfish. Dude, I'm already forgetting. Oh my god, I'm just gonna do one just in case. Not a smart idea though. Because patrons have to drink now. Pink Grub Man!
Damn your chug variation.
Hey, dang my, that's me. That's what I say, because I'm 4 in debt, dude. Yeah, dang me. Or dang the wheel. Okay, Pink Grub Man, thanks for the 10. Wow. You're close to Hefe. Procession Top Jesus, dude. All right. So this one's for Pink Grub, I believe. Patrons have to drink, though. All right, it's a gulp. Dude, what is going on, man? This is scary.
It's like the anti-wheel spin you're used to. Usually it's always hitting your chug.
Dude, it's like
everything but it.
You notice it's real chill all week, man. It's chill all week, and then Thursday nights come around, it's just like, bleh. Oh my god, we're caught up. But I know once I'm done with this beer, hopefully M's not watching, because I know she speaks Russian like Jake, so they shouldn't be hearing these words. But well, look, we got this, man. We got the breathalyzer. It's out, and we'll be using it at some point this evening.
Yeah, that fake breathalyzer that doesn't.
Oh, whatever, dude. Hey, it was like 1 point something, but yeah, I don't know. No, I got to over the limit. I got 0.09 last time, I think. Yeah, but I think that was I blew into the breathalyzer too soon right after I drank.
Way high, and then you did it right after.
Yeah.
103 or something like that.
I didn't know these existed. I saw these disposable breathalyzers at a bar the other day.
Interesting. Did they hand them out for free? Do you pay for them? Do they sell
you gotta
them?
pay for them. You pay like $7 for them, but they're like wrapped in a plastic container and you breathe into it. It's a one-use breathalyzer.
The bar sells it to you.
A disposable breathalyzer at a bar. Do you mean alcohol in a shot glass?
Wow, that's pretty nice markup. I bet you money it cost them maybe like $4, $3
All my
maybe.
beer money is your chug money.
Yeah, I'm sure.
All your beer money is my chug money, Batson. Thanks for the TN, dude. All right. Okay. Oh no. What's happening?
There's so many good tip names.
Pink Grub Man. Dude, Pink Grub.
Leverage. Come on, Hefe. Or is it Hefe?
Yeah, he says leverage. Come on, Hefe. Or is it Hefe? Or is it Jeffy, he means?
Yeah, I thought it was Jeffy. Come on.
It is Jeffy. It's Jeffy. And Jeffy was cool. He got
stay Jeffy.
Yeah, he sanctioned it.
It's Jeffy. Yeah, he's been memed.
This one's for Wayne. And the next one will be for Pink Grub. Oh, patrons drink. Get wrecked. It was almost Logan wrecked.
What's up, 1G?
It's 1G in here? Oh, 1G, it's a rising wedge.
1G. Poutine.
Yes. Yes, it was. All right, this one's for Pink Grub. He just overtook El Jefe, El Jeffy. Social. All right. Dude, getting lucky tonight, man. Wow.
Cheers. I know. Oh my gosh. It's going to compound though. Later, it's going to be like chug after chug.
Chargers head. Oh my god, it's LMNOP.
Chargers slip 21 to $25.
Oh my god.
Here we go.
All right, Chargers. We'll do this spin. Thanks for the 25. Well, it's the attempt on. That's like
that was close to Logan wrecked.
Oh yeah. It's oh my god. Bankhead wrecked.
Get trapped.
My god, y'all. All right. 2 spins. Trying to keep up. This for LMNP.
This wheel is rigged tonight, dude. What's going on?
We'll just do tie goes to the gulp on this one, so we don't have to make controversial. Okay, I'll gulp, and then this one's for the next one's for Bankhead. Okay. Okay, dude. Thanks so much, man. And Bankhead, dude. Here it is.
Bankhead.
Social. Social for Bankhead. Well, for everyone. All right. I got it. What's up, Dez, man? What are you in Bama too? You in this? Ugh. I don't know, man.
Dude, Bankhead's from Bama.
Bankhead's from Bama too. Yeah.
Yeah. Dude.
He's South. Is it South Alabama? I can't remember. He's in the. Okay, yeah, he's in the. Where are you at? I can't remember, dude. And then Graham Dougherty was there too, but he just moved to Columbus, where my parents met. Columbus, Georgia, which is just outside of Alabama in South Georgia. Dude, y'all serious? There's no way this is perfect volume on the audio. It has to be too loud. It's like I can't even hear myself.
Nah, it sounds good on my end. But I can't hear the music, so.
I don't even know how to turn myself down. Or, no, not myself, but...
Turn up, man.
No, the audio.
No, don't turn down.
That ain't a goal. Get wrecked. Wait. I fulfilled the spins. I have no spin debt. There's spin debt and there's chug debt. Well, mother of God. Remember, I have drank very seldom this past, I don't know, 6 weeks. Been very health conscious. Been like working out, running like every single day. Just changing it up, man. Like college football season's the time.
Prepping for the corona, dude.
Yeah, dude. No corona's gonna come near this, dude. I'm fortitude, man. It's a fortuitous Castle Wall.
So what are you trying to say? You're gonna get all 4 chugs tonight?
No, probably not, dude. But we'll try. Opelika.
All in 3 of a kind contract.
Yeah, that's Auburn territory. He's probably an Auburn Tiger. What's up, Mr. Shabba, man? All in, 3 of a kind, get wrecked. I think that's inside joke to stay-at-home Kangs or something. Thanks, Mr. Shabba, dude, for the attempt on my life. I'm digging the music, man. This is like Futures getting destroyed.
What's playing, dude?
It sounds like it's like piano, but it's, it's house. Like, it's the lounge house.
Hans and Franz.
Hans and Franz genre, yeah. 88.8, exactly. I did that today. I did the station identification.
Yeah, I was listening, dude. That was
for the
reverb on.
Yeah, dude. The FCC, they don't mess around, dude. You got to. They'll fine you. No. All right, I'm finishing up this beer. This is beer number 2 for someone who has a terrible tolerance to alcohol now. So I'm gonna be effed up at this pace. We're keeping up, but you just never know what the night's gonna bring. Bankhead went to Auburn. Hey, so did my mom. It's okay, man. My dad hates Auburn, and I kind of hate like his disdain and his inability to be objective because he hates Auburn so much. It's like a huge flaw I think he has, and I'm like, I just
politics these days, right? It's like
I guess, yeah,
on a team.
It's just like he hates them.
Yeah,
he hates them so much, and I don't like Auburn. But like, dang, dude, because they're definitely our rival and all that. But it's just like,
people got to go to school, man.
Yeah, for sure. Oh, what I hate is like when
his daughter's going to Bama, his house is divided forever.
Yes, good.
He's like Texas sports fan. He knows every team in Texas now.
Exactly. Oh man, that's funny, Bankhead. Well, congrats to her. You're proud of me for what, digital asset conductor? What are you proud of? Stock market down. Interest rates are down. They're going to make a new country song about it. Everything's down. Gold's up.
How would that country song go? Can you give us a sample?
I just did. It's like...
The WRAY 88.8.
We need to write a song, Probst. We need to write a whole new song about TA.
Is Probst mic like really low, or is that just me?
No, I think he's just kind of talking on the side of his mic or something, thinking. I don't know.
He's just.
I have it down because
There you go. See, I told you.
I turned down your volume because with your mic, like
I'm too loud.
Hopped into chat and it was like, whoa, blew me away. And we're like, what kind of mic are you on?
Hop in the chat. Get it? Because hop, not hype. Yeah. Drew lives in Athens. He says, "Good dogs. Stop stealing our people, dude. Stop poaching our coaches." Okay? Good God.
Just leave the wheel up.
Just leave the wheel up. Huh? Is that true, man? Is that what we need to do? Pink Rub?
Yeah, maybe we should have the wheel up as an incentive. Can you make it a little smaller so it's just like the charts, like above the jar?
Gulp Connect. All right, I'm gonna gulp this, and then I'm gonna get one, and we're gonna chug it, and we're just gonna get one over with at least. Oh my God!
You can do like one a day.
Dustin, man. One, yeah, I know, but it's like
chug capity HX Mitch.
I explained it. Thank you, Dustin, for the 10 and the spin. But I explained it a couple days ago or whatever. Someone's like, "You owe chugs. We're gonna revolt," or something, right? One of those comments, and it's like, dude. My regime has changed completely. My schedule, like what I do, I'm waking up earlier, again, exercising like crazy every day. And so when I hate
your regime, not your routine.
It's a regime change. It's like, it's
a dictatorship.
My regiment connect, dude.
Dictator of this regime.
Regime or regiment?
Guns blazing.
Hey, come on, we're just trying to conversate.
Dude.
It's
aggression. We're not stand, man.
But
Dude, oh my God.
On this market, it's
I have a 180 IQ, dude.
3.5% down tomorrow.
Dude, it probably will be again.
No, this was last week. The guy was yelling. I said 0.5 point down, and I wished he was here.
That guy.
The guy that got banned.
Yes.
Yeah, that vibe died. I was like, dude, I'm not even here.
I've ever heard Jeff yell at someone.
Hold on, I'm getting this.
My
I'm getting this beer.
Oh my God.
Pretty insane, isn't it?
It was crazy, dude.
People
I was like, wow, you do not want to F with Jeff, dude. He sounds crazy when he's angry.
I used to get people to actually stop and not run.
All those roids that have just been sitting in your body since the early days came up, dude. Heart was palpitating.
Thanks for doxing me on TV.
Hold on, do I spin again? Dustin? Yeah, I got to spin for Dustin. This one's for you, dude.
OPEC depends on what they agreed to cut.
Social. Thank you, Dustin.
1.5 million barrels a day. If Russia's in, it will provide some relief. If not,
I just think it looks so good technically. I know the fundamentals are kind of iffy, but
yeah. If not, if Russia's
technicals are good, but you remember the trend you're in so bearish. How could a bullish pattern be reliable in a bearish trend, right?
The last time we were producing this amount of, it was at $27 a barrel. Last time we had this much production. So, or this much excess. So,
why don't they just hold back production? Like, keep the price up.
Because
Russia won't let them, dude. Russia will keep producing regardless.
Yeah, they don't care. They're like, what do you guys gonna do? Eh?
Literally, you heard someone talking about Russia and CNBC this morning. Like, they're the fat kid in the corner who wants to have their cake and eat it too. They don't want lower prices, but at the same time, they're not going to be the ones to lower production.
Yeah, but they also could screw their enemies by overproducing, because then they affect the total.
Well, that's exactly what OPEC did to start this whole mess in 2014, the oil glut. That's exactly what they did. So now they're like, oh man, we're desperate now. And Russia's like, dude, you made your own bed in this whole situation because of frackers in the US. I mean,
what's
up, OPEC's
MK?
Like
frackers and then the debt that was taken on.
MK, how's Carl, dude?
Dude,
he tried to get everybody to default on their loans over here.
Oh yeah, they wanted to kill all the American frackers, dude. Just kill the industry, destroy it. Now we're a major, one of the most major exporters of energy or oil, right? So it didn't work. It failed. They flopped, and look at the prices have been terrible ever since. It's been. I mean, you've had a couple spikes here and there, but since 2014, man, decimated. But if they were smart, they would have, of course, diversified the money they made over all these years. that, because of the West, they have it. They'd be living in mud huts if it wasn't for the Brits in the U.S. after World War II, for real. Anyway, not trying to get too political, I guess, but history is real.
It's just historical. It's not political. It's historical.
Yeah, I know.
Hello, MK.
Dude, MK, dude, rewind the beginning. Watch the beginning of the stream, dude. It's a brand new Trevor.
Shorting the stock market.
Well, he's probably gonna make a lot of money tomorrow.
MK.
I mean, maybe,
MK's
probably.
Out. MK's cash.
MK, watch the beginning of the stream if you haven't. It's a new Trevor something song. That's our guy, dude. Summer Love, the other one. What is it? The song about nighttime.
Miami Nights, whatever happened.
Miami Nights, yeah. Well, we played it. We played it kind of recently. I don't know, in the past 8 weeks or something. But he's got a new song out. I played it. It's really good. Check it out. All right, I'm letting this beer warm up right now. So, I know. It's all good. Open mic.
I've never heard that statement before in my life. I'm letting this beer warm up.
I was watching the light up to see who's echo can.
Yeah, no, I get it, man. I know if we get echo, I know it's because it's like unintentional. Yeah, Skywar's not in here, so we don't have to worry about that. Kappa.
Someone will try to talk while you're
yep,
talking.
Exactly.
And they'll listen.
Exactly, and I get that.
Yeah.
You will watch it. You will look here, and you will listen. MK. Dude, this music's good as F. It's so
I want to listen to it, but it's like
I know you're screwed, man. It's so good.
No.
Yeah, man. I'm losing it right now. I'm turning my audio up.
So, do you want to get one of your chug bits down?
I'm about no, dude. It's in my hand. I told you I'm warming my beer up so I can chug it easier, right? Okay. And you're like, I've never heard of a guy saying he's got to warm up his beer. Cold beer's terrible to chug. I don't want a headache. I'm already gonna be like teary eyed because of the carbonation, so I don't want brain freeze and teary eyes. What are they talking about? What are they talking about? Give us coin TA. Do you call the shots here? I call the shots here, man. I call the shots here, and I say...
We're just conversating, dude.
No, we're conversing. Completely conversing. And it's Thursday night. Welcome to it. It might be your first rodeo, but it's not ours. What happened to my music? Okay.
Welcome.
Great song. Now it's... Oh, we're good. Nope, we're buffering. Muting my mic so I can chug this F. That's not how it works. It's this S, but whatever.
If you swat him, Corey, we will destroy you.
Go.
So don't even think about that.
Bruh. How dare he?
Did he mute himself?
I think he did.
Spin the wheel, spin the wheel.
Hey Mitch,
Dang,
did you ever go
Bankhead
bowling
coming
last
in.
Friday? How'd that go?
Are you a two-hander or one-hander bowler?
Come on. Yeah.
Nah, dude, Billy was saying that the best bowlers in the world now, like all of them, like the top 10, they're all two-hander bowlers. It's like, who the hell uses two hands to bowl?
Billy's messing
They
with
do
you.
that spin thing with two hands.
Nah, he's not, dude. What's up, Zach Snyder?
Trying to imagine how a two-handed bowling maneuver would even work.
Dude, that's what I was saying. I thought he was just
like, what are you swinging from the crotch
to get to the spin?
I don't know, but he's the guy that like he won. Billy was telling me he's the one that has won like all the recent tournaments, He's like capitalizing on his lack of one-handed skills. He has like an app or some shit too. He's this stupid website. It's kind of ridiculous.
Keeping the hand at the end allows like more spin, so they can
I guess more spin, like, more control or something. But it's also like less technique, less graceful. Come on, you're kind of cheating. And sorry you're always getting margin called, dude. It sucks. And maybe you won't get a margin call then.
I think Mayor Zoomer mode maybe have broken a record for the world's youngest person ever to get a margin call notice.
That was lit, dude. He's like, how old was that kid? Fuck yeah.
Yeah. We're not gonna dox him.
What about FYX, dude?
I don't know about that guy.
Oh my god, I am muted. No, I'm muted to. Oh no, dude. They didn't hear anything.
Oh no.
They haven't heard anything.
We can't tell. Yeah.
Yeah, y'all can't tell. I know. I'm just like.
I should have noticed that
So it's like I have two ways of muting my mic. I cannot mute everyone unless I actually mute this mic manually right here, the button. But how I normally mute is with my Stream Deck. Right there. And so that mutes it for everyone on stream, but not for y'all. So like I screwed up and muted both. RIP everyone. Sorry. So margin call didn't get as good scolding. And I don't feel like doing it again.
Oh man, we scolded him so good though.
I know. It's not worth it, dude.
he's still in chat. He said turn on mic, dude. You're a little bit late. We already got that handled.
Anyway. There you go, MK, dude. It was released like a few days ago, man. It's like brand spanking new. It's LA new, man.
It's Nakatomi Towers new.
Yeah, dude, Nakatomi. Dude, I'm a granny.
Wait, are we
granny
still
bowl.
Muted? People keep saying muted in the chat.
No, I'm checking. It's like Irakanji. There's another one. All right, we'll spin to win. Well, it's probably just gonna end up being
Who
Chuck.
is the Irakanji?
I think you might know who it is, mate. You might know who it is, mate. That's not how. There it is.
Phil Centura, Crypto Tiger.
I think it might be doxing if I actually told you, right? A form of doxing?
All right, we'll save it for later.
I don't know, man. I really don't know. It can't be doxing. Because if he's going under the alias every time, he used to not do the alias. But again, it's like, I gotta... Oh my god, it's so close. Oh my god, spinner drinks. Get wrecked, Irakanji Jellyfish, so hard. That's the worst beat. That's quite possibly the worst beat. Thanks for the tea. 3 spins. Oh, and on contraire, I do not owe any spins right now. Okay. Beautiful.
Okay, you and Zach have a conversation.
Someone says I have a lisp in the stream.
Okay.
IBM, you might be projecting, dude. It might be your upper lip. Okay.
Or they just have a really bad microphone or headphones. So
yeah, I don't know, man. Yeah, dude, I have a lisp, man.
The top S's drag on.
You have one of those little, like, the protectors in front of your mic?
Yes, I do.
Those things. They're awesome. Oh, you do?
The de-esser.
Yes.
The D-lisper. No one's ever in history said I have a lisp until this guy in chat. You're the first guy ever to tell me I have a lisp, man. So, congratulations. You must have like a really weird
radio hosts of WRAY 88.8.
Yeah, dude, that's wild. Oh my God.
When in your life did you realize that you could not be a weatherman because it was just hot girls that?
No, it was. I realized, I'd have to go to Mississippi State, literally live in Mississippi, in Starkville. Yeah, and I just didn't want to do that. And it's like, I'd be leaving like the best broadcasting school, or one of the best in America for that.
At Ole Miss, would you have gone to Oxford?
Mitch, can you look at TSLA?
Maybe not, dude. I was about ready to just get out and start making money, dude. I don't know, just like, dude, more distribution. That sucks. Tesla, Kevin, here you go, man. So it's like
Bankhead, the chug debt and the spin debt are on different counters.
Yeah. Chug debt 3, spin debt 0. So we have more distribution on Tesla, double top. All right, big double top, a lower high again. But man, the low beta's helping Tesla tremendously. It is just not as affected as many other equities. So it'll probably be down tomorrow with the rest of the market, but probably it may not even break this 687 neckline. It may go down to touch it, might go lower, but super strong. You can't argue with that. Super strong compared to the rest of the market that's just getting pretty much decimated. I mean, give or take a few equities here and there, like Kroger and whatever. But most Zoom, yeah, killing it.
Well, they beat on earnings. They sitting there, and then it just dumped in the aftermarket. Then huge volume this morning. I was like, way to get wrecked in the aftermarkets. I don't know what they said in the conference that made people want to buy in the following morning, but yeah, that's
VIX futures are still up. The futures.
Yes, MK, we know about the bet, so you better pay up, dude.
Yeah.
So
just recently hit its highest high.
Your front month future is at 31.8750. Your back month, which would be April's 27.52. June is 23. September is 21, and then it starts to creep back up.
Mitch, will you take a look at spin the wheel?
Out.
Yes, I will look. I will look at spin the wheel. He wants me to look at the spin the wheel chart. Okay, Mr. Grubman. Thanks for the freaking 10, man. Holy crap, sorry. Didn't mean to interrupt.
All good, I know it not.
Yeah. You know the drill, man. Safe. Whew, another social. I gotta get a beer. Dude, I'm scared. Because it's like...
You're scared, dude. The wheel has been so generous.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. It's like it's now a matter of time. It's a matter of time before I'm screwed.
So the chugs at like 2% now. What's going on?
Soon to be all blue all the time.
Oh, God. Please, no. That would be terrible.
When it rains, it chugs.
I guess I'll just pour an IPA, and if I owe a chug, I already owed 3 chugs already, so it's like I might as well just enjoy this IPA. And I'm 3 deep now. Dude, I don't drink really, much these days. Like in this past 6 weeks, and 3
maybe why don't you just take out your chug debt right away so you're cleared, you're good to go.
Yeah, let me just chug 3 beers, man. Yeah, but that's scamming them by not taking sips of it, right? And if I... Christ.
So gonna try and work out tomorrow, Mitch?
Yeah. Dude, when I'm hungover, dude, I'm screwed.
Santana.
No, when I'm hungover, man. Yeah. Oh, like in Vegas. Well, I will be hungover. I certainly will be hungover.
Get drunk and go at it.
My body's gonna be shocked. Like, what have you done? Can't believe you've done this, man. Look, isn't Tezos like XABCD? It's like attempting a rally. You know, you can't see
Tezos is beautiful, mate.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah, because Coinbase like adjusted they were taking like a large percentage of the staking from it.
I just think it's a beautiful chart sponsored by Tim Draper, man.
They got caught and then they cut back their
not really on top of my effing mind. There's the chug. He got me. I knew it, man. There's Schwab, man, coming in too.
Appreciation Connect.
Appreciation Connect. Thanks, dude, for the 1337. And well, sorry, your thunder was stolen by Pink Grub, dude. God.
What the effing Schwab?
Social. Why is Logan not getting wrecked? That's what I'm. That's it's been generous for
that's what I'm saying.
chugs.
The wheel is rigged. You're not getting wrecked. I'm not getting wrecked.
No, I'm getting wrecked now. I just got one. Back to 0-4. Go ahead and knock them all out, dude. It's futile. It's futile. Just choices I made in my life have just made the debt sit the way it was. I didn't take them off when I could have, just one a day. It's whatever. Hold on. Let me get another beer to chug, I guess. Kings.
Yes.
Who's going to wreck me?
So can I ask a noob question? How does stocks move after the stock market closes?
After hours trading, man.
After hours trading.
No, we're going down to 15K on the Dow. Sorry.
You probably could if you signed up for a certain brokerage firm, but it's kind of a one-way ticket to Rec City.
I definitely don't want that ticket.
Yeah, you get destroyed on the spreads that you're paying. It's a very illiquid market, so there's nothing on. No,
I have to interject. Here it is, margin call again. It's like, what is this show about? Why don't you go watch my stream from earlier? Go watch the VOD, video on demand, from a few hours ago. You watch it and you'll know exactly what the show's about. But tonight is not the same show that is every single day, 7 days a week, including today. Okay?
but he said
sorry,
hat.
Dude. Yeah, he didn't even say what is the show about. He said hat is the show about.
Yeah, because he missed the W. He missed the W. It happens.
Yeah.
People.
Yeah, but what if
He
he's
missed
like,
the
this
win
show-
because he's getting a
this
margin
show is
call.
about
The hats. I mean, it could be, but I highly doubt
Yeah,
it,
what
dude.
if he's-
I highly doubt it. All right, we'll see.
what if
What did he mean, dude? Did he mean hat?
people that don't speak and type English good?
I mean, to be fair, the hats brought me in, but the TA is what made me stay.
I like the whats.
Yeah, the hats are legit though. I'm not gonna lie.
I love the hats.
Dude,
I just googled
I wish you
Bitcoin
got that
stream
hat
one
in
night,
Austin,
and I
man.
saw some dude wearing a wizard hat, and I was like, these are my people.
We have
last
connected.
Thursday, I don't want to post it out there so that it might get taken down, but finding the gold mine of being able to watch all your old videos, like
A Periscope
March
Connect.
Madness Connect one.
Oh man, up to the close. I went down.
yeah.
I had absinthe. It was the only alcohol in my house, and I was like not really drinking back then. Like I was like, drinking was just like, you know, when you and Drink Troll and MK and Jules, when all that stuff, we started doing party streams like much later in my streaming career, I guess you call it. But back then, that was like, it wasn't really the norm ever to drink. So, but it was like the marathon, bloody. It was real bad. Like it was.
Yeah.
Bitcoin's
When I
getting
kept going through it, I
devastated,
was
man.
like, he's got CNBC on in the background every day. I'm like, oh, this is the one at the final Elite Eight. No, this one is no. I'm like, oh, dude, he had CNBC on every day for a while.
Oh yeah, dude, I never got, dude,
Yeah.
and I could have probably still done it. I could do it today and be fine because the algos wouldn't pick it up. But it's just a risk, you know. It's like you don't want to risk it, man, because I didn't really know. I was going to be, like, oh, a March Madness game, no big deal. And then when your account gets striked, there is no one to talk to. There is no, oh, I'm sorry, officer, I didn't know I couldn't do that, right? You can't, it's like you're done for 90 days. You can't appeal it. You can't because you're red-handed. So, like, you see, that's why I don't even F with it, even though I've thought about it. It's just not worth it.
Judge Chamberlain Hallen? No.
To what? To Cabas? Well, it looks like the guy didn't clarify if he was talking about hats or what. I think he was what, but anyway. Maybe he's watching the stream. Highly doubt it. The stream from today, which was jam-packed with great technical analysis. I mean, really. Jeez. I go hard on the day streams. Like, for anyone to complain about a stream like this on a Thursday night where we just hang out and chill, that means they don't know what they're doing. They're just like, oh, this is my first time watching ever, and I don't appreciate anything you do. So go after yourself. Dude.
Like, look at every comment he's saying.
I hope you not drink Corona. No, I'm not. I'm not drinking Corona. Yeah, he's okay, I guess. I don't know. We'll see. We'll let it ride. Will he be
margin called tonight?
Yeah, will he be margin called, or will he make 100 times? Kings. There's the chug. Yeah, Pink Grub.
There's the chug. In all seriousness, appreciate the TA. Advice in the community. Spin.
Thanks, Grub, man.
1.5 cents and 21.5 cents for Ripple. It's like two magnetic forces. When it's in the middle, it's all right. Then as it gets closer to one side, it's like getting.
I know, man.
But it looks good, actually. Oh, you did a trade setup. Oh.
Yeah, I know. It kind of just sad, It's like, it didn't play out. And we know, like, it would. Remember what it said in the trade setup? This will fail if Bitcoin fails. Like, 100%.
See, there hasn't been a lot of...
That was much later in my career, CryptoFish. That's the Nugsnet fiasco. The Bay of Nugsnet pigs or something. I don't know, dude.
The Nugsnet, oh my gosh. It goes against everything, like, the bands they film represent, too.
I know.
Like, the Grateful Dead. It's
Hegman! Sorry.
Spin that wheel.
Heck23, thanks for the $20.99. Spin the wheel. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Heck23, dude.
We don't hit 8 OG by tonight. We failed.
Social. Wait, what is it? We don't what? I'm taking socials from my
8
chug.
Chug that, then we failed tonight.
So it'll be 03 again. Once I chug this. And then I'll take 5 and I'll do a...
I just want to come back and...
inebriation test.
Alan Baum and Tyler Sparks.
That was so funny, though, dude.
One name and then just...
You never did Lando. You never did Lando, though.
I did tip as Lando.
You did. You did all of them. All 4.
Oh,
yeah. The robot, yeah.
Yeah.
Someone tipped as me at one point.
Hey, it's your boy Sparks.
Well, let me mute my mic. Let me chug this.
I just joined this community. I knew who the people in the background were, and then I looked at this video and I was like, "This dude looks like a person that I would be interested in speaking to in my former career." He does not look.
When you were a porn star.
Yeah. No.
Nah, I only knew Lando, dude. The rest, like Alan, like all them, they only came out when the S hit the fan.
Well, I forget what the video was. It was on Hyped on Crypto. Oh, don't say the name.
No, we can't mention the name.
Bloody Mary.
No, we're beyond that now. We're past the Voldemort stage. It's dead. It's like there's no point
past
in
the Voldemort stage.
Yeah, it's dead, dude. Like hyped on crypto, hyped on crypto, hyped on crypto and chill. No one cares now. It's a joke. It's a meme. They're dead and gone. We're too powerful.
I was trying to record your first ever. Hey, Jeff. That's just it, man.
Isn't it, man?
You didn't give me the standard you did every other night because it was like a regular thing. It was like $20 regularly every night. You're like, You got any questions about
That's
Chatter Discord?
Discord, man.
There'd be like 10
it's like
12-hour
hey,
marathons.
Jeff,
with like
Miami Dolphin Jesus, man.
tips.
This is your
Miami
birthday, social
Dolphin.
security number, where you were born, mother's maiden name. Your net worth is between this amount and this amount. How about that is online? Logan found that. It's a wide range.
I didn't know that. I didn't look at these things. I think I just said the name of your pro team. That's it. I think I only went that far. I didn't go any farther.
18,000th most popular NFL player ever.
Yeah,
Height?
Just like was between $600 and like $600 million.
Just like the 7,000
wow, nice.
Most popular football player.
Said 1 to 5 million on one and 30 million on the other.
Yeah, so the range was 1 to 33 million. It's like, how are you supposed to be reporting information and news with a range like that?
You see the websites? They weren't very reputable.
But weren't they the same? Like when you looked them up, Jeff, they were the same from the same sources.
Yes. Yeah.
So that's even worse.
Oh yeah, 0.03 or just 0.3.
Oh my gosh, dude, we're 4 streams away from 888.
Oh wait.
What?
But Chalen doesn't exist anymore, so I can't get any more new overlays because I don't know how to do them.
Dude,
and I don't have anyone else that can do them either.
Like, are you going to do one on each weekend or what? So
what do you mean one on each weekend?
It's going to count. Because sometimes on the Saturday you're going to do like a long day stream and not do a night stream, right?
I mean, normally don't do night streams anymore. Not really. You know, it's just like
888. If you do Friday, you do one stream. 885.
I mean, it'd be best to be like on a Tuesday, whenever it lines up. I mean, where are we at? So we're 884. Tomorrow's 885. It's Monday then. It's probably Monday.
Man, I remember you telling me you're like
maybe Tuesday.
Like that's not going to happen for so long.
Oh, I remember, dude. We were like
here, dude.
We were like 589 or 3 something, dude. Yeah. And we probably are shortchanging ourselves.
8,888.
That's never happening, dude. 8,888. I'll be dead by then, dude.
About 888.
Yeah, that's a big difference, though. 888 versus 8,888, dude. We'll be like, oh my god, man. All right, dude. Well, here, you know what? I'll do you a favor. So now you can't talk in the chat anymore. You know who's boring? You are. You're boring, dude. And now you're banned. No one cares. Go do something else with your time. No one cares. It's just like weird. Like you lack so much fulfillment in your life. You just come in to be a piece of crap to everyone in the community. Just no one cares, dude. Bye. Anyway.
But Mitch, don't you know that you owe him entertainment? You owe him.
I owe him what?
You owe him entertainment. He's entitled to it.
Oh yeah, he's entitled to entertainment. Yeah, nah, he can go F himself though.
Margin called and liquidated because you don't supply enough information.
Yeah, because like obviously someone has too low of an IQ to listen to me saying go watch the day stream. If you want the technical analysis you so covet, we covered every effing market. Every single one for the most part, right? Which we do every day, but
we're here now. 888. It's a bonus.
We in here. You want a beer, but you don't drink on weekdays? Hey, Alan. Hey, man. It's all good. You don't have to drink on the weekends. You can drink whenever you want, right? It's like, oh, well, Thursday, fine, dude. Yeah, okay.
That's one of the freedoms afforded as human beings.
Yeah, we can do our thing, man. Uh-oh. Logan get wrecked, Bankhead.
Logan get wrecked.
He's
all right. Me. He's gunning for you. We're spinning right now for it. Thank you, Bankhead. Oh my god, it was so close. Patron's drink. Sorry, Bankhead, man.
Yeah, I'm gonna just take a shot for Bankhead right now, just because.
Taking a shot for Bankhead just because. All right.
Bankhead.
Crypto tips are not showing up? I guess not. Dude, oh my god. Who just tipped me $25 of friggin' XRP?
It's not even worth what you'll pay in taxes.
Well, I'm not selling, so not me receiving crypto is not a taxable event, so get wrecked. Oh God, Skyward's here, dude. Literally. Oh my God, he's living up to his name. Get wrecked, dude.
I had you good. I had you.
Breaker 19.
The crane, man.
This bitch ain't doing things. We got an echo in the can. Okay, man. All right.
Dude, that barbecue place we went to though, that was fire, dude.
Hell yeah.
What's going on?
And dude, when we went to the Walmart with Skyward, that was the first Walmart I've ever been in.
Oh yeah.
They like don't have them in California.
Texas Walmart's interesting.
It was the same as all the other ones I've been
People
to.
riding fixie bikes and doing hipster shit.
Open carry. Cava.
Yeah, Beto O'Rourke that's going to be his first job is to go get all the guns. It's like,
what are y'all talking about?
When we went to the brewery, Mitch, that was like deep Texas.
That's Taylor,
We're
Texas.
not in Austin anymore, dude.
No, we weren't. Sorry. All right, turn it off.
On their post office, it said like the post office. On their bank, like the title of their bank was the bank. Like there's one of everything there.
Was it Tyler or Taylor?
It was Taylor, Texas. Tyler is it exists, but it's
huge football powerhouse.
It exists,
but it's like far east. Far east. Like from Taylor, you have to go northeast to get to Tyler, and it's many hours away. Many hundred, like 100 miles plus.
I think they have the biggest. What's the biggest high school football stadium in Texas? I think it's Tyler.
Oh, I'm not sure.
Insane.
Oh, I gotta get Tezos because dude, he asked about it, so it's like definitely won't analyze that 100% because he asked for it. So anyway, go on. What were you saying, Taylor?
Do you get tipped in Tezos?
I have been tipped in Tezos for some reason. It's someone tipped me 2 minutes ago, so I need to spend for that. For who were you? Speak up. Well, it was XRP. Someone tipped me in XRP, dude.
It's tipped through OneCoin, so it goes through Coinbase, so it's automatically.
Yeah, One Up Coin.
Luckily, Coinbase cut their staking fee. They're not like YouTube, like give me 30% of your tips.
Yeah, it's like I get it all. It's that and Stream Elements, same thing. And Social Connect. I gotta get it. All right, look. 4 Deep Connect. 4 BIAs. All right, let's pull the breathalyzer real quick. Let's get a progress report. No big deal, man. Oh my God, it's fake. I swear. 4 beers. In the time that I've drank these, right? It should be not legal to drive, right? Skyward, what's up, dude? Breaker 19.
Skyward.
What? I didn't do it. What?
You totally did it, dude. That's okay, dude. All right, here it is. Turning it on. No FRE. 0 connect. Here we go.
That mic looks professional. You got to go for 30 seconds, dude.
No, you don't, dude. You do it till it says no.
Standard, dude. That's the police standard.
Then why would it be like I'm reading it now?
Dude, they make you do it over and over again.
No, it's real. Look, I'm almost not able to drive. That's legit. 0.074. We're almost there, and I'll be not able to drive. Yeah, dude, we're good.
30 minutes, it'll turn into a 0.08. So. No driving tonight.
No, it'll be more because I'll compound the drinking.
You can't go to the Spearmint Rhino.
I mean, if I wanted to go right now, I could. And I'd be okay.
Do you guys have Spearmint Rhinos in Texas?
No, I don't even know. I just figured he was talking about something that you had to drive to. I'm like, oh yeah, I'm driving to something.
When there's no numbers shown on the breathalyzer, everything's an 8. Did you realize that?
I did.
No, he finally got it. It looks good.
So last night, Bitcoin hit 8,888.88 cents, and I said, "Was this the torch of Gondor for Chinese people?" I mean,
dude,
we wanted a couple hundred points up from there.
All the time.
Oh
It
yeah.
has nothing to do with my trade. Every time it goes off, I just know.
I'm gonna go break the seal. I'll be right back, and I'll get a beer. Kings.
All right. Can we get some echoes from Skyward while we're waiting?
Sure.
Today.
You
I
want some
consider
more
myself
ambient noise.
Yeah, show us the echoes, dude.
luckiest
Yeah.
man.
Nice.
Rimlock man, oh my
It
god.
was $10 one spin. I thought it was 25
Rimlock
bucks.
man, oh my god, dude. Don't talk about thoughts. Could you introduce me to Novaru? Rimlock.
The Italian
Love my life.
stallion
Thanks.
of Las
Okay.
Vegas, dude.
Only you get it. All right, I'll be right back.
Remlog, while you were off being an Italian stallion, remember we had that giant treasure chest of Corona? Maybe you don't remember.
I remember. By the pool. I think I was running like 2 hours of sleep.
Man.
It was fun.
That guy was about to fight you because like you were hitting on his girl or sister or something. Do you remember that? That was cool.
I think you're
Who else
talking
we got
about
here?
him.
Yeah, I am.
He's got his mic muted.
We got Dad. We got Wayne. Brian! What's up, Brian? Why are you so quiet? We got the Schwab. Them as drummer or the mass drummer. No one knows.
I think we actually had more than last week on here.
Off to the ether. Kotik. Yo, what's up, dude? How you feeling, bro? I hope you're doing better than last time. Joey Sachs. That sounds like a porn name. And stylist. What's
I've
up,
been in
dude?
porn for the past couple years. You kidding me?
Oh yeah, with that New
Kappa.
Jersey / Brooklyn accent.
Long
it.
Island, thank you very much.
Oh, Long Island. Yeah. Okay.
Long
Not too far
Island.
off.
New Jersey in the house.
Yeah, don't get that wrong.
New Jersey's our younger brother, bro. I'm from New York.
Yeah, we kind of have like a New York / Australian accent.
Oh, what? What a blend.
Australian living in New York, dude.
Not only are they going to
So
film
Joey, it's
some
your
porn,
cousin
but
Tony.
that
Tony
Vegemite's going to be
Two-Time.
spread out.
I'm gonna go get
G'day,
the paper.
mate.
Let's get the paper.
Dude,
Daddy-o,
Why you just
Carl.
bagel?
10-year 0.81 all-time lows, continuing to dump. Futures also, I think, tanking right now. Yeah, futures dumping. VIX continuing as we speak to hit its highest high. Oh my God. Here it is. Look, chat. We are setting up for a historical Friday. It could be terrible. I'm not even kidding. This could be so bad tomorrow. But all the
People were reaching
signs
out
were
to,
kind of
like, my
there.
parents, and they were like, "What can we do? It's not in the stock market, right?"
Crypto,
Last time
Bitcoin.
we
And
were
then
at,
they were like, and then they asked me for your link. They're like, "Oh, we gotta send this."
I'm
It's
just
a
simple
600
TA, man.
points
Send it in.
down
Yeah,
before
but
that.
everyone's wondering what the hell to do, and everyone's looking at it like emotionally and irrationally, right?
Cash is great. I mean, this is a great time to have cash. Like, if you didn't have cash, you're kind of screwed. Now, if you got cash, you're good, because I mean, like, there's too much market tumult. It's too high a risk on gold right now for a long. There's no reward. It means very little reward. High risk, I guess, for gold because of how high it is already, right? TLT, right? Too high, but it could continue to climb.
People are FOMOing into that thing, don't
Oh,
understand what it is.
Jesus.
I'm like, dude, if you looked at the prices of what the bonds are, this is a parabolic blow off top, which would mean that the yields are going to start pumping. So,
Well, either way,
wait for that. I'm along the banks and the regional sector banks, and they're going to.
oh, dude, finance. Yeah, they were the worst performers of the day.
KRE ETF, the regional bank ETF.
Dude, buckle up.
Pump it.
Chat, buckle up. It's gonna be a nasty one tomorrow. You thought it was over? You don't think it's gonna be a nasty one tomorrow? You think it'll be a rebound day? You think it'll be good?
No, I don't think it'll be a rebound day. I think it'll be fine.
You're gonna be margin called like that.
An hour before, but
I should have bought gold back when you told me. You told me to? How long we been preaching on gold? Jesus.
oh, you did miss a nice, perfect.
I've been long and strong on gold for like 2 years.
Bullish bat entry that I sent over, saying this might be a little bit late.
Gold is just like, I'm not trading gold. I hold it. I'm a holder. I'm a hodler. I'm a hodler of gold, man. All you Bitcoin people, like they didn't care about any asset but Bitcoin. Guess what? People hold stuff. Yeah.
That was when I started going, this might be a no joke. When gold started selling off heavily as the rest of the market selling off.
Oh, yeah, that's scary.
Selling off,
scary.
Like,
that's recession stuff. Yeah.
There's a few times where you
crash
see that happen. You're like,
yeah.
Oh crap. It happened in
yeah, but if you need to become uncorrelated from the market, then like
the February 5th
Bitcoin
to like 8th one.
Yeah, it's great to have Bitcoin, gold. Like, why can't I have all of it? So
it's like everything else is correlated, dude, to a certain extent.
Yeah, we got payroll data, unemployment. We got jobs reports coming out tomorrow. It's not going to help. I don't think it's not, dude. It's going to be like it's great, dude. It's amazing, and it's not going to matter, dude. Fed cutting rates.
Good today.
It's a signature of like a market cycle when the Fed cuts rates and the markets are unaffected and continue to dump. That's like a signature. I watched a Real Vision video on it, dude. I can't remember. It's like some crazy fundamental deep analysis that this hedge fund has. It's like 4 quadrants. You know what I'm talking about? Maybe there's 4 different quadrants. It's like Q1, 2, 3, and 4. And 4 is like you're screwed. And we were like 3 going into 4. And it's like the increments of 1, 2, 3, 4 every 6 months. And we were 3 going into 4. And so
it's just like the cycles, right?
Yeah, but like 4, but like it can go 1, 2, 3, and then go back to 1 and never go to 4. But now it's like he's saying 3 to 4, and we're going 3 to 4. And now like one of the signature attributes, characteristics of that transition or like going into Q4 was when the Fed cuts rates, there is no effect on the market selling, right? The selling continues to dump. Or sorry, the markets continue to dump, and there's just like smell a rat.
I watched that.
Yeah, but isn't that when? Like,
you remember it? Yeah.
Isn't that under traditional circumstances? Like when some black swan event comes in, like Corona or something, then.
Well, it would already. We were already in Q3.
People's irrationalities.
In the model, though, we were already Q3. So like Q3 means like you're transitioning from Q3 into Q4. So, I don't know. Can you find the link, probes, man? Yeah, no. I mean, it's like it's not a good thing.
Yeah, I can find it.
God, I don't even remember which video it's called.
Like, you're talking about almost like it's a wave structure, like.
Kinda, but it's a 6. It's like a. There are rules to his quadrant. There are rules to his quadrant.
The flow.
It's a part of the cycle.
Like if this, then that.
Yeah, and it's like if certain criteria are not met by that 6-month period, then it would go back to Q1 or 2. It's weird.
Yeah.
Like an ABC can turn into an XYZ. You know what I mean? Like it could extend. It can.
Yeah. Or
close to
ABC might turn into XABCD, right? You know.
Yeah, it's exactly. Yeah,
but it's like, but it's more like fundamental
way of thinking about it. Yeah,
WXY
way of thinking about it.
What is it? XWYWZ? Is that
the extended ABC?
I just remember Q1, 2, 3, and 4.
You have a
4
certain
Qs.
amount of time before the.
Yeah, what I'm saying is that
it's like
it already seemed bad from the way Mitch was looking at it.
I forget what it was.
And then you add in this Black Swan event of like.
Black Swan is just the catalyst. I mean, like, you know, there are always a catalyst to a recession. There's always a catalyst to a crash that ushers in the recession. So is it going to be coronavirus? It could be, man. We were already kind of, dude, we had talked about so many things already.
Coronavirus is the one that brings into the recession rather than a
debt crisis.
Like
the debt crisis.
Yeah, but the more like people try to fight this.
If the major powers of the country all have equal debt and we're still the king of, you know, we have less debt than others compared to they can't sell bonds. And
yeah, but the coronavirus has shown like the connectivity of everything. So it's like if one country or 5 countries have debt, that influences
I'm getting a beer.
like every other country.
Cool.
Like with production,
Yeah,
right?
I agree with
It's like
Logan.
it's so interconnected that if one person gets effed, then everyone else is. Like with travel, with it all. The coronavirus is like a metaphor for how we're all dependent and reliant on each other. Like there's no independence.
The biggest
anymore.
The biggest effect to the markets and everything is China's basically how quickly they can get back online and get
but that shows
like
the
Australia's
dependency, right? So like China's not its own entity.
Yeah, but
like other people are relying on it, and that's that connectivity where it's the chain reaction, it's the ripple effect. No XRP, but it's the ripple effect.
Any of their own stuff, but they have a ton of natural resources.
Yeah, so there is no like singular event anymore. Like anything that happens is going to make waves in everything.
Yeah, the coronavirus could actually like usher in a response to the debt crisis. Like the debt crisis may be like an underlying issue, but
the debt crisis might be showing the dependability, the irrational
Catalyst
dependability
Connect,
of countries on other countries. Like
that's what I was saying earlier, Logan, is that like nobody knows what the value of their currency is in today's global economy, because we're, like you said, interconnected on one another, and if certain nations get harder and their GDP is more affected, then
it's a universal value, which is more dangerous if something like this happens, right?
Well, there's just no way that you can have a like government sponsored currency be like, you can't. I don't know. In today's economy, it works because everybody trades and is able to trade. But if all of a sudden China can't export tomorrow, like the global economy is a massive problem.
But is that why, like, within the past 2 days, like several countries like India, France, they have classified Bitcoin as a currency rather than the asset class it was in before?
Yeah, dude, they want speculators in this market, man.
To not be tied.
I think so.
Theoretically, yes. But
it's a way for
nobody's ever actually done it before, right? Like Bitcoin essentially solved a problem in computing for the first time, right? And like this is the first time that the world has actually needed that problem to be solved, because before, we could always trust on government interoperability to kind of like assign value to certain asset classes and to certain like physical, goods that we can do.
But if one government, like if one government can manipulate it, then it's interconnected, then every other government is affected by it. So
100%, which is why I want to know the
Rimlock got you, dude.
No,
Logan,
in comparison with other countries.
Rimlock got who?
Logan. Yeah, destroyed. Nice one.
The Italian stallion. I love it, dude. Thanks, brother.
All right, so you must see. You should have waited.
That's what I'm saying. Is Bitcoin's the only like unconnected asset?
Trent, you can do that in Discord if you want, but
I think the value will come to the light.
Oh my god,
so
grub, man!
It's not even that it's not connected, because Bitcoin is like just like any other asset, like tradable in the global economy. But the thing is that what assigns value in the global economy today is governments, right? Based on the currency that they issue, right? So if governments start printing mass amounts of currency in response to a global crisis like this, and to avoid like a catastrophic event with the debt scenario.
Yeah, but they can't print Bitcoin. But what they're doing now is they're opening up.
Right, but everyone doesn't measure like what you can purchase in Bitcoin, right? So if the currency gets devalued and it gets bought into Bitcoin.
It's been illegal in India, and today India
CryptoJack.
illegal. So that's opening liquidity into it, right?
Oh, 100%.
Today,
We're on the same side of this, I think.
Okay. So instead of being like how traditionally it would be like, oh, we'll print more or we'll give some bailouts, we'll make it more available, it turned into we're going to make it legal for like our citizens to access as a currency, like not as a traditional asset that we defined it as before, right?
Hey, real quick, CryptoJack tipped me $25 worth of XRP. So I was asking like who it was, and he like PM'd me. So like giving recognition to him. Thank you, man, so much. Sorry, y'all keep going.
Next time, tip something else, please.
It's not his fault, dude. Sometimes it like I don't know why it's not. It doesn't show up on this. Dude, there's just no way. The overlay should be this. It's a different overlay entirely here, but it shouldn't matter. It's all synced up to Stream Elements, the 1UP coin.
If you go back from,
it's annoying. No, it's just buggy sometimes. I'll get tips and it's just like,
they're not used to selling all the layers you have, all the plugins, like so many factors going on. They're used to like a streamer with like a basic setup and then one input of tips, right?
Wait. Did y'all know that like yesterday, evidently, like Jim Cramer on his show, his show goes live. Like he's like on my screen when I'm live. Like he'll just go live and I'm live. It's like 6 o'clock Eastern every day. Bald guy and me are just going streaming, right? We're doing our thing. But somebody
Pressing my luck again. Sorry, Logan. Little less than 3.
Pressing your luck again, all right, man. We'll spin again. Thank you, man. Love you, dude. But evidently yesterday he told people like confidently to deeply buy equity, like go ahead and buy, like big time. And there's like it's a big meme post. He's
the agendas.
But he called in sick today. It was like so bad he called it. He didn't.
It's like trading against CNBC or trading against MK. Right? It's like you just go against them, dude.
He did the exact same thing back. He did the exact same thing back in the housing crisis, and it was a big thing.
But he was on during the morning.
He was super bullish. Yeah. He was super bullish though. You're giving financial advice to somebody. He's not like it could go up, but like I don't know. Oh my God, I don't know how you can tell people to be buying when the volatility is so high right now and there's so much uncertainty. The VIX is so high; it's over 40 now, right? I mean, it's around 40.
It's a long term.
They're using to manipulate people, right?
Cost dollar average invest. Like I was nibbling at Disney. I was talking to someone else back from the pump, and it could go back down lower, but the thought of that is 7-8 years down the road, and my cost dollar average is a lot cheaper than that. But yeah, that's his thing. Could we rip down? We've had I can't think of this type of move where we haven't kind of had a dead cat bounce and then move down to make newer lows. So people are talking about we're going to test the new lows.
Yeah, but it's more a recipe for people that are like too lazy to actually learn about protecting their money, right? Like they see someone tell them what to do, and they do it.
You have a lot of people that call that
what they're going to do.
He doesn't.
They're not thinking for themselves, right?
Or they just don't have the time and they trust the media, dude. That's probably a major part of it. Is like a lot of people work like full 8-12-hour jobs. Like they don't get to look at charts for portions of the day. Like a lot of.
So
but they can train themselves to look at charts, right?
Yeah, but it's different honestly,
most people don't have a passion.
All day. I keep a lot of stuff on a monitor all day. Yeah, most people won't do that. Most people want to check it once a week and know that their investment is safe.
Yeah, but if instead of at the end of the night they read a random book, they can read something about.
Dude, that's assuming
analysis
most people even read.
1 hour.
Honestly, if you read on a regular basis,
that,
I feel like you're an exception.
They are preying on most people trusting and not actually investing in themselves, right?
100%.
And that's the problem with CNBC, these news organizations, is that they prey on trust when Mitch supplies
the media, what do you expect them to do?
Right?
They're run by large corporations.
Supplying independence.
No, but Mitch is an independent content producer, dude. There's a big difference between someone who's working for a media organization and someone who's an independent. Yeah, but the agenda, there's no agenda with Mitch. It's what does he have to gain by?
Yeah, but that's what I'm saying. If these people are so smart and they have so much money, why can't they see that there's an agenda against them?
Outside of Jim, Cramer did very well running his own, but outside of that, all the desk traders are kind of failed trader. I mean, if you're working on there,
they're just personalities.
Didn't have a ton of success. They don't make a ton of money, surprisingly.
Ooh, look at this.
More importantly, stay-at-home Kang sent you $101 of Bitcoin.
Gangs!
Man, and I want my
oh my God! Gangs.
Wait, what?
Dude,
What are y'all
Daddy.
talking about?
Oh, Daddy. Dude, Daddy just blessed you.
Well,
That's
Statham,
like
wait,
automatic
what are you talking about? Oh, I thought you were like
$1
talking about in context from a minute ago. Are you talking about today, tonight? What the F?
Yeah, it's not,
Dad just blessed you, dude.
No.
Tips aren't going through.
Yeah, they're not. They're not go. It's like, I mean, like, I don't think, maybe it's something to do with that overlay. I don't understand how it could be like that, though.
It might be Coinbase, dude. They just updated a bunch of their APIs.
Oh my god, yeah, dude. Oh my god. Hold on, I just ripped my freaking
the Hundy from
headphones out. Jesus, dude.
Just one spin, one spin.
Yeah. It was like less than 10 minutes ago. You tipped me $101 of Bitcoin. Then I got a...
Yep, get wrecked, pink rub, get wrecked.
Yeah, so Session Top Jesus is now Stay at Home Kings. And then you got a $8 tip of Bitcoin from Anonymous. And then... My God, I don't know, maybe... A few. Then it was my boy.
Yo, the jar is full, dude. We got a hat.
Crypto Jack tip 25 of XRP. All right, well, let's do it. No, it's not actually. There is a hole.
Yeah,
and remember, I did not get rid of the tips from earlier today.
Outside of the jar. There's
No,
an emoji outside of the jar.
that
has to count for something.
No, not when the day stream didn't get cleared. The day stream tips didn't get cleared.
What are the day stream?
Look at that. Look here. Listen.
I'll rewind and start the stream over and look.
Yeah, we'll check, dude.
Check it. Audit it. Audit the hype. I don't care. Do it. Go right. I told Margin Call to do it. Y'all should do it too, man. Let's go.
Margin Call.
Dude, what a scrub. All right. Leroy Jenkins. Here's a wheel spin for Stay at Home Kangs. Because he could be stay at home aliases. Hold on.
Yeah.
Dude, I gotta figure that out. I don't understand.
Stay at home because of Corona.
Well, I like when he switches it up. When he becomes it's stay at home something. It's not always the same thing. It's like I don't know.
Just said stay at home dad edited.
He had one Monero ball and
one Monero bar. What is this? Xanax? Logan wrecked.
And two.
Yeah, you just got wrecked, dude.
God, stay at home father.
Stay at Home Kangs and Rimlog just tag teamed you. I think I owe Rimlog another though.
Right.
Maybe that was Rimlog's, and this would be Stay at Home Kangs. Yeah.
Right. I gotta go get some alcohol.
All right, social. Okay. Yeah, you're wrecked though. I think Rimlog wrecked you twice. Stay at Home Kangs, social. Well.
Thanks, Rimlog.
KNC to US Day. Yeah, dude, it's been rising. Light of Jesus, man. Drinking makes the tip jar better. Ask any waitress. Do waitresses have tip jars? Is this a new thing to me? It'd be like piano players or something, right? I don't know. Yeah, I know. Chug that. I'm about to knock out one. As I'm on.
Wow, how does this show that? Video in your PM.
How does this? Oh, no. What is this? Oh, okay. I thought it was going to be something else, right? Oh, is this what it is? Okay, yes. Is this the one? The quads? The quadrants? I don't think this is the quadrant one. I'm looking through it and I'm not seeing the quads, right? This has to be another one, though.
Yeah, it's another one.
Okay.
From earlier in the year.
Well, they've all been like not doom and gloom, but they've all been very objective and very like forthright about what's going on, and that's how we knew things were just before. Dude, you got to think back before the trade deal in December, right? All that stuff, dude. All the economic data globally was not that good. It's still not good. It's actually worse than it was in certain ways and a lot of aspects. And now we have coronavirus caked on top of all that. Like manufacturing in Germany, China, right? They've slowed down tremendously. So The only thing that's been keeping the U.S. or the whole world afloat is U.S. consumerism. That's been the heart and soul of growth in the world. And with coronavirus, that's gonna stop people from spending money in a lot of ways, going out doing things.
Nah, dude, people just spend on different stuff. Like I went to Costco the other day.
Nice one,
They were
Rumlord.
all out.
I'm an
What?
inverse.
Out of water, anything canned, everything that was canned, all canned food, they were out of it. All toilet paper, all paper.
Yeah,
towel,
but like
towels.
once you stock up
Out.
once, are you gonna stock up again in like 3 weeks? Like
No,
realistically,
dude, people will.
Rimlock.
because they're sold out.
He just got you
Costco
again,
was
dude.
stuck in the house. Got me again?
He got you for the third time. It's like when Rimlog tips
Thank you.
and we spin, it's Logan Wreck 3 times.
The Italian stallions.
History. Where's the
Alright,
gabagoo?
Gotta get some more of them.
Que cosa?
Did someone say gabagoo?
What's the gabagoo?
Love you all.
Oh my god.
Gabagoo.
Bankhead, thanks for the 10. Good indeed. Oh my god, the spins. They never
I'll just explain
end.
what you're talking about to Emily. I think Emily will take it on as a personal challenge
To
spend more money when she's stuck. I think people will spend more money stuck inside their house.
so Amazon Connect.
Jobs.
But like
You have supply chain issues right now.
yeah, like Kroger, they're having problems. Even though they're doing well, like their CEO, whatever was on CNBC, was talking about, like they're just unable to meet
But
the
people are
demands of
afraid
the U.S.
like,
consumers.
running out of things that they use.
Certain
that
items.
So, like Netflix is like one of those ones you mentioned at the day stream, where it's like, why is that happening? But what are people doing? They're not going outside to socialize anymore.
I'm gonna try to chug.
Right.
Yeah, dude.
They're streaming.
Everyone's gonna work from home, dude.
They're stocking up on Costco materials. They're probably like buying things from Postmate and DoorDash. Like
JP Morgan actually had
it's
all their
making a
traders
different
stay home
economy.
today and trade from basically to test out the viability of doing it. I think Twitter did it as well.
Bitcoin's looking strong.
Facebook, Amazon,
man.
Microsoft, Google, like all the major tech companies in the Pacific Northwest have basically closed up shop and told their employees to work from home.
Yeah, you can. I mean,
Which is going to be great for you, Mitch, because honestly, like, what do people who are bored at home do? They consume internet content. So, like, realistically, like, your viewership's going to spike as Corona gets.
Yeah, as the equities market deteriorates and the Bitcoin market starts being kings. Oh yeah, dude, it's the perfect storm for our community. Hype. Sorry, I just chugged another beer. Let me take the dead off so I don't forget.
Wait, how much did I owe? I just did.
You've had 3 Logan Rex. 3
I
tonight.
just did 2 from Remlog, right?
You're 3 you owe from Remlog total. But so that means if you took 2, you owe 1.
All right. Well,
Okay,
I got
so
a drink
just
here,
2
so
now.
I'm gonna just drink that too.
Wow, dude, I never thought I'd be down to only 2 chug deads.
It's
Oh
really
my god, I'm starting to get wompy womps, you know? The wompy womps.
One of those is still mine. You
Oh yeah? One of the chugs, man.
oh, and then what we figured out was the size of the gap in CME futures down from, was it 2 Sundays ago?
Size of the gap
On Bitcoin?
No, on S&P futures.
Oh, dang it.
The Sunday open up. So
Satoshi.
Yes.
Oh my god.
the
Satoshi's
Forex market opens up an hour before, and you can trade, like on a Wanda, I can trade the S&P 500 US dollar, whatever, you know.
Yes, it's F
So
chat.
they traded it down, and then it was also kind of a no one wanted to sell contract.
Live chart right here, 29.73 dumping. Where traders settled up at the lowest point of this entire dump was 29.46. Very likely we'll see that tomorrow or Monday. Right, we are so close. You understand how bad this is, right? Like you're going to attempt to test probably 28.50 at this point on this chart. I mean, this is real life. This isn't really a joke, man. I mean, Future or the charts are melting down. You had a knee-jerk reaction. Yes, of course, there were tons of limit buys here. Go figure. You had the rally. The scalpers made their money. They're selling. And look where you are. Session lows on the futures right now. And this could continue throughout the evening, into the morning, into the pre-market. And who knows? But clearly, this is not a good thing. This is bad. And it could get worse. Just remember, you zoom out all the way, right? Zoom out. We're only down about 10% or so. 10%, dude. Think about this was a 20% drop right here. 25% drop, actually. So let's zoom out to daily.
Still up on the weekly. Asia.
Yeah, still, but not at open. At open, you won't be, probably. At open, you will be in the red, probably. People like, I know, it's just like, optimism connect.
Futures prices at this hour has been like for 4 days straight was counter directional to what happened.
Well, look here, listen. 2764 is a 23% retrace from the recent high, right? From the March 2009 low to the February 2020 high. The 236 looms again 2750 or so. And below that, the 382 just happens to be our old friend that was the 236 from this high. 2400, 2370. So if you're talking about if a major correction's to happen, right, and we were to hit common retrace levels, we didn't make common retrace levels here the first time, but if you were this time, between 1714 and 2361, 618 to the 382. Oh my. Bruh. Whew.
Make a lot of people a lot of money, dude.
It's pretty wild, man.
It's gonna wreck a bunch of other people.
Yeah, zero-sum game. That's the world we live in. So we'll see. We will see if it's nuts. Will we balance at 2761? Because 2750 is bear territory, dude. That's not good territory. You don't want to be that at those levels.
Been up in a tear though. Look at that. Oh my god.
It's been too good. It's been too great. Too good. Up. Too good of market. Yeah. Too perfect.
Come down, please. Come on. We gotta reset.
I mean, look. I don't know. Let's look left. What was it? The double top, 2000, 2007. It should be here. Well, I guess not. This is futures. Okay. Well, look, just know for a fact that there was a top here in 2000, a double top. Guess what? At the 618, below the 618 is like the real support. There is another support you could see. You could definitely talk about and argue 2135 down there, but something like that. You'd think there'd be some sort of rally like this, but there's just not yet. Like, what kind of price action did we get immediately? I mean, you did not do this in December 2018. You did not run up like this. You sold off a little bit before bouncing resoundingly, but this is soon to be testing the lowest lows. You get what I'm saying? Like, there's a bullish engulfing candle here too. There was the hammer, and now you're about to be lower than the open of February 28th, 2020. I'm not trying to create panic, but you do need to understand it's like a tornado. Like what is it? Hope for the best, but be prepared for the worst. Because you just don't know when these tops happen. You don't know what the catalyst is, and it's always hindsight. It always is, dude. So, like, we don't know. Like, people are arrogantly saying, oh, yeah, dude, there's no way the recession's happening now. It's not the recession. It's just a 10% drop. But, dude, they all start somehow, okay? And it's just like you need to understand how inflated this market's been, what the economics of what's been going on in the world are unsustainable. My God, remember I sent y'all that article today in that text, right? I know y'all didn't have much time to read it.
Billboard.
Yeah, the billboard was in it. Yeah, but it's unsustainable. I mean, I could pull it up and read it to everyone right now. I just probably do that tomorrow, Should probably do it tomorrow when there's like 1,000 people watching versus like 200. How many we got watching? Probably like
Yeah, but these are the
329.
Linking it in Discord?
Oh yeah, I'll
Probably
link
get
it.
the
Yeah, in
Discord
Discord for
after,
sure. Yeah, you want to read this? It's definitely
it's
like
worth looking over.
Yeah, hold on. I'll pull it up. I'll post it. Let's see.
This has been going on for like literally like 15 years. Like this is insane.
9 months.
No, 11 years in March.
No, it's been going on
11.
since like US dollar fiat was like created, dude.
Well, but even on the 2008 financial crisis, did we see a crash like as great as,
and
or
they
like
put
what we're
they
about
put
to?
Band-Aids on
Logan,
it.
stop.
It's been Band-Aids, dude, but it's been a compounding effect.
What were you saying about the 2008 crash?
Oh no, I can't even
Like-
hear you, Jeff. You're so quiet.
Were the retraces or the retraces that we're expecting for this as deep in the 2008 financial crisis?
Yes. You can Rimlock. Thank you, dude.
2008 financial. I mean, I don't know if we came down like there was not like the
Thanks,
.com
Ramon.
bubble top that we could sit on top of.
I'm sending it to Patreon chat. It's there. It's a PDF file. It's
Super.
not a hack, dude. You're not gonna get hacked by downloading the PDF, okay? But I'll read it on stream tomorrow for everyone. Just no point tonight. I mean, I'm getting inebriated
it's
as
good information.
it's real good.
Understand.
It just
Oh
shows.
my God, Remlock. Is Remlock just trying to destroy me?
Yeah, you're screwed, dude. We're going for it. We're going for the 4th in a row. I feel like I'm in the jungle right now. This music playing. It's like some flute, South American flute music. Heck,
I wish I could hear the music.
safe. All right, social connect. I'm doing the breathalyzer. Gosh dang it! Pull that friggin' thing again. Hold on. Descending broadening wedge.
Listen to music, man. It's such a rhythm.
Crypto secret circle. You tell me, dude. Is a descending broadening wedge? You can barely see it over there, but it kind of it kind of looks like a descending broadening wedge connect. Yeah. Sorry, man. All right, let me.
Yeah, we bottomed off of nothing. We kind of double bottomed off of the .com bubble in those areas. So there wasn't like
I'm screwed.
retrace of
0.13.
0.13. He's got his bet. The bet's in, mate.
0.11.
Oh, this price is right. Savage. Oh, 0.087. What the F?
What?
I do have a nice metabolism, but
You got a great liver there, Mitch.
I do. It's highly efficient. Incredible genetics. No kappas, but kappa at the same time. Okay. Anyway. Wow. Well, give it time, though. Give it time, because how can I just barely be over... I didn't even go up a 0.1%, right? On a chug.
I think you need to calibrate that breathalyzer.
Dude, it's not like a guitar. You don't tune these things. They're not like...
No, they need to be calibrated.
Do they?
It takes a while.
Yeah, you have to calibrate it. You can actually beat a DUI. if
See,
you
people
find out the
keep
officer
saying
is
it takes a while for it to get in your system, but it also like takes a while. And in the time that goes by, I'm also metabolizing the alcohol, and it's also going out of me, right? So it's like, catch-22.
No, this read is better, dude, than the last one. When you first got it, where it's like 0.06 after like 5 hours of drinking.
It goes.
This one's definitely more accurate.
Into your lungs, and yeah, you're metabolizing it, but it takes about a half hour, 40 minutes for that chug to hit max efficiency on you, and it starts getting rid of it at the same time. So that would be the max.
But the beers I've chugged in the past are now getting wrecked. They're getting out of me, destroyed. So I'm just like a machine, dude. Like I'm an alcohol absorbing machine. And I can't get too high of alcohol, it seems.
I can't.
Dude, look at this, dude. Look.
I can get blasted and can't get above a 0.15.
There are 5 alcoholic beverages I haven't drank in a week, and I've only drank like 4 times in 6 weeks. How is this real?
This is normal. 5 beers.
5 beers.
Double IPA.
2 bong hits, man. 3 hot dogs. 1 hamburger. Sorry, it's a Dave Chappelle skit. Y'all don't know that skit, dude? That's hilarious. Oh my god. He always talks about white people. White people always label what they do. Alcohol, beer, marijuana, whatever it is. Sorry. All right.
How not to get your
That's all just Michelob Ultras.
X-kicked by
It's 3 Michelobes. They were chugs. I'm not going to chug IPA. Sorry, what? Police?
So from the 1979 lows until
Sorry, what? Police?
.com bubble, pulled back, hit the 382 retrace, ran back up, double topped, came back, and just kind of we hit the 0.5 retrace, and then kind of got front ran on the 618 as we made new lows, and the financial made lower lows than the .com bubble.
Hey, 1G, say something.
Rising wedge.
1G.
It's the Rising Wedge, man.
Oh my God.
That is incorrect, but it is correct.
Welcome.
Shortly after that, all the rising wedges played out. And then we just now made it back to those rising wedge areas, and now we've tanked again. All over the place.
So Jeff, that actually that means it makes sense for us to come down to about like 175, or I guess 1750. Sorry, I'm looking at
Jesus, that would be, the world would be upside down if we got to 1750 on the stock market, on the S&P. Is that what you're talking about? Dude, that would,
I mean, based on what Jeff just said, it literally would make sense because
previous, and it's like not just him. There are many people that are, technical that believe that, and it would be, the world will be upside down financially if that occurs. Like, that would be worse than 08, I think.
I mean, I'm reading this PDF that you just sent, and it says that our debt ratio, with comparison to our GDP, has never reached this level ever.
It's
the
not.
Last time it was even close was in World War II.
Yeah, it's very real.
There's one sentence. The 23 trillion currently equals 109% of the 2019 GDP of 21.4 trillion.
Yeah, and then
as the national debt goes up, so does the interest that must be paid each year on the funds borrowed by the U.S. Treasury.
Absolutely.
And what happened at World War II? That was like a currency shift. Like, that's when the power went in the hands of the U.S. So if it's that bad, then like you would assume that a shift may happen.
How though? Because look at the competitors.
Exactly.
China, dude, really?
Like, what will it shift to?
It won't. Bitcoin, dude.
XRP, dude.
No, I don't know. War.
Yeah,
XRP, dude.
2100 SPX would make a ton of sense.
MK, it would only be the Great Depression for those who didn't take heed, I guess, right? I mean, like, I don't know, man. It's right. All we do is we just alt-I, right? Oh, hey, man, the market's no longer bullish. It's now bearish. Great Depression. Then fine. We just go short instead of going long, right, on assets for however long, I mean, okay.
Exactly.
Bear flags get painted. Oh, look, it's a bear flag. I think we're painting a really nice bear flag right now.
Squat or deadlift, let me know.
Make
Jeff,
money on
remember
both
the
sides of
greatest
the chart.
depression is coming. Okay.
It'd be nice, Rimlog. You just live here and you just train me. I mean, like, dude, I know how to do it, but it's nice having a spotter, and accountability partners are so important for that, for weightlifting. Been very disciplined on just exercising, getting in real good shape and stuff again. But it's just like, dude, it's a different level when you got accountability. And it's just like, I haven't really felt like paying somebody around here to do it. And it's like, I'm so far from everything. It's inconvenient. I've got everything in my house. So it's like doing house calls would probably be it's just not worth it. It's like, I know how to handle myself, I guess. But yeah, weight training, having somebody's real nice for that. But anyway, thank you, Wheelspin Connect. What is this? What is that? 31,500? That will be nuts, dude. Billy, Dan, y'all see that in Patreon chat? I knew it. Gosh, another fucking chug, dude. God, I'm never gonna get the debt down. It's just like me getting wrecked. It's like, oh yeah, you want to get wrecked? You just wait, 03, I think 3. God,
debt to GDP has never been higher.
It has not. I'm constantly in debt to fucking chugs, man. Jacked up on Mountain Dew since 1913. Heck yeah, dude. State of Kings bought at 31,000. Hype. So where's Bitcoin going? Fox yo, where is it going? Where were you, dude? Where were we when you talked about the little pennant wedge at 8,500 with bullish divergence on the RSI? Where were you then? Because now it's like we are the precipice of an enormous crossroads, with 9150 being a historical, critical support, resistance. We hit it. We pulled back. We had, gosh dang it. We had MACD, bearish divergence, the 4 hour, clearly discernible and shown on your screen. The first oscillator, look down from the price action. You see it, the red line. That's divergence. But the divergence, meh. Is that it? Why are we maybe bullishly engulfing right now? It may change, of course, but if you break 9150 for real, which is a huge if, big if true, true if big. If you break 9150, you'll probably go to 9300 to 9500. Can't break that. Well, the support is the neckline, which we've kind of almost hit, which is 8975. And if you break below that, then you're coming back down to 8600, and then after that's 8500. You get it. So you see the structure, and you'd think a measured move of the structure we've broken out of would be around 9500, though it could fail. But you'd think just maybe 9500 is in the cards, because we've now, you understand, for everyone watching, including the people in the voice chat, Bitcoin has not seen positive momentum on the daily since Valentine's Day. It's March 5th. We will soon see positive momentum, most likely, and we might be at higher prices when it happens, aka 9500 connect. Which isn't weird. Why?
That, dude.
Yeah, it's not weird, because why? You go from the major high to low, and 9500 is around the 50% retrace. Get out of here.
Oh my god, it coincides.
Yeah, it just doesn't. I can't believe it, dude. I can't believe it. Can't believe it's not Bitcoin.
We're conversating right now. What's going on?
We're conversing. Conversate is peasant word. Okay, that's it's a real word. Then it's a peasant word. That's it, dude. Okay, I'm sorry. Come on, man.
I don't conversate with peasants.
Matt Beasley says conversate. You want to be like a Matt Beasley, dude? Really? Go ahead, by all means. You want to be more like Mitch Ray? You say converse. You want to be more like Matt Beasley? You say conversate.
Beasley me, dude.
I'm not doing a Beasley, but I remember him saying it, and I remember correctly. I'm like, dude, it's converse. I don't even think I said that. I just remember watching him one morning, and he said it, and I'm like, cringe. Conversate.
It is what it is, all right?
It is what it is.
We were on like live with you one of the times when he came on.
Oh yeah, dude, he got all like up in arms too. I'm like, dude, if a crisis happens, guns and food and water are probably going to be what you want, not Bitcoin. And he's like, whatever, dude. And then he tipped me $1,000. It's like, what? Wait, no, he tipped HOC $1,000, and they scammed me out of that $1,000. Yeah, and he never got it back. I remember all that now. Thanks for bringing it up.
He lost his advertising dollar.
Dude, I feel so bad for those investors. $30,000 of people's money down the drain in a night. I mean, there was a stream he did. I was in Atlanta when the meltdown happened.
18K for 15 spots?
No, it was 30K. He raised 30K in a night. In 8 hours, he raised 30K. And you know what happened, right? The next day. You remember, right? Tell me. Todd Butterfield from the Wyckoff outed him, released it all. Oh, dude, it was like the biggest implosion. And that video is still up on YouTube. Someone posted it. You can't take it down. It's there. And it will be there forever, of that whole stream with him and that girl he's with. He cucked that guy from St. Louis.
Yeah.
And, I mean, that's playing with fire. You cuck somebody, then you better look out for the repercussions of cucking someone. So, yeah.
He was denying it and fighting it, and
I mean,
there's probes. I had pulled up the NSA database, and 100% true.
Who's dissing Matt for saying it is what it is? Dissing Matt for just, we're literally talking about Matt Beasley and everything that happened factually. We're not talking crap. But hey, Cryptonomics, man, what was that? He could have shut this channel down when I was on stream. No, the only person crying on stream was him. I left that when he tried to extort me, and there's physical evidence of that. Bradford tried posting it to everyone. He tried to censor Brad. So you get your facts straight, dude. He tried charging me.
He did censor me. It wasn't he tried to. He kicked me off.
I had all the screenshots. Gave them to Brad, and then something like that, and then we tried posting it.
Conversation with you guys, and just posted all of that.
Yeah, so Cryptonomics, you're wrong. Okay, I'm sorry. You're completely. I'm not sorry really at all. I mean, actually, literally crying on stream, dude. I don't cry on stream, but he sure as f did multiple times. Cried for real. Okay, like literally. So, what's up, man? He could have had everything. I was growing his dead channel. There's no argument about that. His channel was dead. It was losing subs every day. And because of me, his channel started growing again.
Why is someone like backing up Matt Beasley?
Is his channel
still imagine backing up Matt Beasley. Yeah, really.
Like, who has like, who's gonna bat like, I don't know, like that guy has no fucking rep. Sorry, curse on screen.
He doesn't.
What's up?
He clearly
Look what he did to $30,000 of investors. He just said F them. He just quit on them.
Why is this guy backing up Matt Beasley?
He's a trucker now, dude. He's a trucker.
He's a truck driver, yeah.
Hey, what's BitBlaster trading for on Waves right?
Oh, it doesn't exist, probably. I mean, it's really, we're talking objectively,
it's
right?
Negative state. You owe money if you own it.
The fact that he said something about,
for like $50.
dude, him saying that I'm talking crap is now actually made it to where we're now talking crap. So good on you, Cryptonomics, for Dunning-Kruger or something. Okay, good job. Not Dunning-Kruger, Barbara Streisand, whatever.
From his community.
Yeah, yeah, $40K from the people that trusted him, and he did nothing with it, and then blamed the people that I swear to God, he blamed the people that invested that money. In the end, I swear to God, I watched the live stream. I was in Atlanta after a marathon stream, watched him, and he talked about all these people that invested were the ones that were causing the demise of the investment. You can't make this up. I swear to God. He did that. Yeah. He deleted it. He said, I will never delete this. I'll never delete it. Of course, he effing deleted it. So he lied again.
There's a couple different times where like Matt's live talking about them, but I think that was one of them, or I just found it. Yeah, I remember that one.
Oh, it was like, you know,
after he got all that money, he got so drunk he like live streamed himself like falling downstairs or something. He went to the hospital.
Broke his foot or something. I don't know. I don't think he was drunk when that happened, but
he's using that foot to shift gears in a truck.
I don't know. And it's not even, we're not even trying to like, I didn't try to steer the conversation to like hating on Matt or whatever. He made a terrible mistake that cost him his entire YouTube career. One, by turning his back on me and trying to mafioso me. But after him calling me LeBron James of live streaming, he turns his back on me, tries to extort me, and then takes $40K from his own community, and then it fails, and then he's gone. He's gone, and he's a trucker now, right? So how was that me talking crap when that's literally facts? Those are like evidence of all of this. It's like on paper. Okay. Jesus Christ,
Weird
man.
how people come in and out of your life.
I think
but
his Twitter
he was
like,
there.
hacked or something.
Yeah.
Because it has a bunch of memes of like his face.
Yeah. His own people got a hold of his Twitter.
Yeah.
But at the right time when you needed him, because you didn't know how to set up the over whatever.
No, it was like like creating a little overlay. Yeah, he like did that real quick. No, I'm telling you, Matt Beasley was an intricate part of my life. He helped me when I needed him. But it's not like I was leeching, dude. Give me an effing break. It's not like I wasn't worth what he was doing. Again, his channel was dead. He had a dead channel, dude.
Right? Like, he helped you out when you were transitioning. You helped him out.
I helped his channel grow because it was dead. And the thing is, it's like
it became no longer mutual, right? It stopped being mutual.
But he treated it like I was leeching. Like somehow he was doing me a favor by being on his channel. Yeah, he treated it like that. And it's like, dude, I'm not gonna. Are you kidding me, dude? Like, you're not the talent. I mean, like, you do stuff. You're a content reader. That's great. But
you can
dude,
read news.
No, you know.
I wanted to bring on the guy, the
oh yeah, the other guy, yeah,
South American guy.
Well, Jose Ortega, and I was like, oh really, dude? Is that what you think about me?
That conspiracy guy he'd always bring on, Jet Black or whatever.
Jet Blake, yeah.
God,
Dude, we are going back. Oh my god, tripping through time. Certainly.
Oh, those are so cringy.
I don't have my tinfoil hat.
Osmosis.
I can't give you my sources, but I know all these things are facts.
Water has memory.
Every conversation with you.
Yeah, these are facts.
So look at Bitcoin's.
That's the thing about facts, right? Is like they're verifiable, right? Like, I mean, you can go back and watch all of Mitch's old streams and like see all this.
Yeah, mine exists. Matt Beasley deleted all his. They're all gone. He sold his channel. It's over. You know, it's like there is no breadcrumb trail except that one video that's up by someone who hates him, and they created a channel. You just type in Matt Beasley, and it's gonna pop up probably. That one video where he got outed for his past, and it's like, you know, I think he got screwed bad, but it's like he was with a girl that had a husband who was psycho, who they had kids together, and it's like, well, I mean, don't go to the circus and get mad when the clowns show up, dude. You just can't. You effing can't, man. So it's like, welcome to the world, man. You know, you're gonna color in a coloring book or fill in a coloring book that's already filled in, dude. Expect maybe the person who filled in the coloring book to say hi. But what you doing, man, with the book that I had? I mean, that's go at it with your own risk, dude. It's dangerous. There are a lot of crazy people out there.
Everyone thinks logically in these manners.
100%. Yeah, but just people can't think like more than 5 minutes into the future, dude. It's pretty sad. A lot of people, not everybody.
Sold my soul, Trent. To you got any more like things to say? Besides, sold my soul to what, dude? You see any advertisers here? You see BitBlaster? I'm crowdsourced, man. People watching this stream fund this stream. So yeah, sold my soul to amazing people. Everyone, all 22,000. Pretty much, I think we're like 5 subs away from 22,700. Let me check it out. Verify that.
Yeah, name one S coin that Mitch has pushed.
Yeah, really, dude.
Exactly, dude.
Definitely not my own one. That one's a meme.
How many have we destroyed? BCN.
Oh, how many enemies have I made? How many people have been banned because we talk crap about the stuff they love? Yeah.
People are like, oh, mods are Nazis, but it's like, we're just trying to keep our community members safe, right?
Yeah. Oh, we need to do a hat vote, I guess. I don't know. I mean, the jar's not technically full, but you know. Poor Julia. Is she working?
Yeah, she's back at work, I think, until Saturday or Sunday.
Should we just retire that Moonboy hat?
Dude, I wish we got that dump hat from Austin.
Oh, I know, dude. The scuba hat would be amazing. Freaking Leroy. It's so out of place in a way.
But
Julia lobbied for it. Julia wanted it. She got it.
Oh, man. But it has to be a community vote,
Viking.
right?
Yeah. There has to be an official poll, which though it was done fair. So no dog hat, right? I have it. It's somewhere. I don't. It's like, what's the last one? Oh, Wizard. I'm gonna get like three votes, I think. So it's all good. 3 votes, chat.
What's the one you haven't worn in the longest?
Dude, I don't know. I haven't worn a hat in a while, dude. If you hadn't watched the streams lately, I don't really get, I get, patrons are good. I just don't get tipped as much these days. Like 2020 has been like, tip jar. Like I've only worn the hat like a handful of times in 2020. It's been modest as F. So many, like, I don't know. Like I couldn't tell you exactly which one hadn't been worn in a while. Many of them have not been worn in a while. Right, so, and I will vote on this one. Okay. So here it is. The Wizards.
I think the Wizard is the least used.
Probably. I think the Wizard. I don't know, Leroy too, kind of. How can you join up? Yuzuka. Mr. Yuzuka, what do you mean, how can you join up? You join the Discord, dude, in the link below in the description. Go down there, Discord, join it, and you will be king. All right. Dude, we got Corona Connect back in the general chat's Corona Connect.
Oh, dude, it's been going off this entire time.
Oh no. Crypto Secret Circle.
Talking about the past, what happened
Dude,
to
I love
Rev.
the stay-at-home
I
dad's
remember
name.
he
of
brought my
Stay at
attention to
Home
Link
with
before he
Corona
disappeared
Connect.
years ago.
Dude, y'all look at this. Read the super chat. Whoa. Brad, you remember?
I don't see.
What?
Oh wait.
Super chat. Look on
the
Rev, dude. Oh man. Well, I don't know where Rev went, man.
I don't know. That was a whole weird situation. He
yeah.
He's a loose cannon.
Oh, sir. Oh my god, look at the new super chat. Thank you, Crypto Secret Circle. I don't know what happened. I don't know what happened to Rev, dude. I think he was so well off, he doesn't care.
With XRP when it's
I don't
in the
know if
moon?
that's worth digging into.
No,
I
I just know I think he was well off and he was good. Like once everything ended, it was just he was just done. I think so. I think he came back once or twice. I think I remember him coming through, like during the FOMO, like during the summer. I'm talking the summer of 2019. Literally everyone came back. No, I'm not even kidding. Like at one point when chat was like, just kept spamming. There was always like what, dude? Oh my god, man! I can't believe it. He's back, man. And I'd see it, like rewatching the stream or something. And it's just like you can't see everyone that's there during the euphoric times. It's impossible. Chat's moving too fast. But he was there, I think.
Discounts. Oh my god.
He was the only one that didn't come back. He was the one that got away, and we'll never find him again. But look at Sir Gordon Gecko asks, will Mitch be with XRP when it's on Moon? Well, if it starts now, we certainly will, right? Okay. Anyway, Bitcoin 91.23. Nice little recovery going on. 1:14 a.m. Eastern with the stock market. Interestingly, if we take a gander, breaking to the upside a little bit, that's okay. In downtrends, what happens? You rally a little bit. You make lower highs, you dump again. Oh my God. So yeah, futures kind of bouncing back a little bit, but no higher highs yet. It's only been lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs.
I believe the actual closing hours of Japan is coming up, but then their open trading hours stay for another several.
Okay.
The actual Tokyo Stock Exchange,
You talking about the Nikkei?
And at 4 p.m. Eastern.
Well, they've got to be. The last I looked at it before I started streaming, the Nikkei was getting devastated. All the Asian markets were getting obliterated, which makes sense, right? Completely. You know, like let's check it out. Right? Yeah, look, the Nikkei right now down 370 points, 1.74%. That's real bad, dude. That's awful. Oh yeah, no, it's down 3% now, dude. The Nikkei now is down 618 points. Shanghai Composite down. Of course, it's only down 0.88%, right? Yeah, F that screwed up market, dude. Screw them, dude. They're such a bunch of losers. They cause the global crash and then they manipulate it and just prop it up like no big deal, man. No big effing deal. PGB's mine, JC Fitzkus man.
Community. Great group. I'm very glad to have found it back in May 2019. Hard, rocket, chart with upwards trend.
Chart with upwards trend. Thank you so much, dude. For the freaking 20 and PG Beats right before it. Thank you for the 10 super chat. Freaking love y'all.
Kospi has a little island top.
The
pattern.
Hang Seng 612 points down, 2.29% losses. Australian Stock Exchange down 2.81%. It's awful. Chat, there could be tremendous amounts of blood tomorrow, and you just wouldn't think anything about it.
Blood.
Okay, mate. Are we cool? Is it two-wheel spins?
This is how the guy was arguing with me last night. We're at negative. We're down 350 points on the Dow at like midnight. And so he was calling for a 3.5 point move down. But there was also a different thing. We had also sold 4 freaking straight days. So
social. All right, I owe 1 social. And now I'm going to owe 1 gulp. 1 social, 1 gulp. Oh my God. What's my alcohol BAC at? What's my Bank of America at right now? Hold on. Turn it on. I'm putting the wizard hat on because the wizard hat won. Yeah, I want to be up to see the carnage. All right, here we go. Here we go, chat. Will we be not able to drink? I think we were last time. Will we be 0.1 connect? 0.093. We're gaining, dude. We're getting there. We're getting drunker and drunker, Chad. Still.
Who would be? Oh, France. That'd be the. Access to trade anything.
How does God, man?
Can't wait to see what TSLA does after Battery Day.
Battery Day? What is Battery Day? Is it like Metallica song? You know, Battery's a great song. S&M album. It's the only time I like it. But I don't know. Battery Day. Lower highs. Distribution, it seems a little bit like on Tesla. Man, Bitcoin, 91.29. Somehow climbing. Maybe we'll test 91.50 again. And if we break that, chat, you know the measure moves 98,500. No question. I'm going to get a wizard hat. I'll be right back. Keep them entertained. Kanks.
Bruh. We're going with the wizard tonight? Oh, yeah.
Leroy.
Nah, man, the wizard's a classic.
They're all classics at this point.
Nah, the Leroy and the Vet Moon Boy, those are new ones, dude. New editions. We're going old school. Back to the OG days.
Dude, ETH is doing nutty things right now. It's up 3.5% to Bitcoin's 0.6% on the daily.
If I had like my butyrin,
Well, can
Yeah.
ETH ever break past 300? That's the
Good
question.
old vitamin ETH. Will ETH ever break 300 again? Is that what you said?
I want you to go and lick my
Yes.
violet beer.
We will never see Ethereum under 300 again.
No, I was saying, will we ever see it over 300 again? It's like, people only use it for DeFi now.
For what?
CryptoKitties destroyed it.
Here's the thing, though. If
Decentralized finance.
Bitcoin pumps,
Like
dude,
holding
if Bitcoin pumps, it
other
doesn't matter.
coins on it, right?
Like if Bitcoin pumps, it's all about I'm going to
Ethereum is
move
a
my money
crappy
into a
blockchain.
smaller market
That's
cap
true.
asset to. Yeah, but that doesn't even matter, Logan. That's the thing.
Yeah, but no one knows what's going to happen with Ethereum because they keep saying they're going to make it.
I know their
sharding, proof of
issuance is a
stake, they
mess,
keep
and
going
their
back. Yeah.
rollout for upgrades is a mess.
So
And I
who would
completely
believe in
agree with you on
something
all of
that,
the
like-
problems and the fundamentals of the project. Yeah. But here's the thing: it's lower market cap than Bitcoin, and if a bunch of money flows into crypto, it's going to see ridiculous gains.
Yeah, but if you want low market cap, there's way lower market cap to go for.
Right, but there's nothing that's as sure of a bet as ETH. It's been number 2 market cap for like the last.
But that's what I'm
it's
saying.
available
Why is
on all the major
why is ETH a
exchanges.
sure bet when everything they say they're going to do, they fail at?
But we're not judging it on the fundamentals. We're judging it on the technicals.
So what are you
right?
judging
Like
on?
so, I'm judging it based on the chart. I'm not judging it based on like whether they're actually going to do what they say they're going to do. If they do, it's great. But to be honest, it doesn't matter to me. The project could fail. I don't care. What is important to me is that look at how much room it has to run in comparison with a lot of these other alts. And it's
most other
number
alts
2
are
in
at
market
like
cap.
99%, dude. So if you want things that could run up, it's like
Yeah, but
ETH is
those are the ones
bound.
that like
ETH is bound because
they're such
no
a
one
risky bet.
is actually interested in trading it. People just use it to hold their DAI and their other decentralized finance assets in it. Like no one plays with ETH anymore as a speculative asset.
ETH did fail the
They're only
Howey
using
test.
what's on ETH
What's the Howey test?
New York Times.
for securities.
Determining whether or not something is a security.
But didn't they say it's too late? Oh well.
It's too big. Yeah. Yeah. So, I forget the ones that are gonna get kind of screwed, but I don't think I talked about them.
Wait, did I even owe a spin?
Yeah, you did.
I did.
Yeah, you own a few, I think.
Yeah, High Desert Garden just
God dang it, dude. It's Chug for sure. I can't believe this, man.
I walked to the store to
Chug
grab a
again?
sixer. As I was approaching a
Chug
group
that
of
at?
potential
Yeah.
gang members, I hear, "Don't go to the
Back
circus
for-
and get upset when the clowns show up."
And
A
what if he
guttural laughter ensued.
put down, he took
I'm lucky to
one
be
down?
alive. Now spin comedy wizard.
So you
Dude, bad
repoed
news
market,
intended.
He took in 5 and
You add I chugged that.
I did. I certainly did. Yeah, it was 2. It was like 2 twice. I can't get the chug that off, right? I was at 4, and then it was like 3, then it was 2, then it's 3, then it was 2, then it was 3 again. Yeah, dude, I'm like, these beers are all like, 1 or 2 were drank and the rest were chugged. And now it's like, I don't know if I can chug again. Dude, I want to wake up to see what the heck that's going on tomorrow, dude. So I'm just gonna owe 4 chugs again, man. Like, what am I supposed to do? I want to be able to enjoy myself. Tomorrow I maybe will chug one easy tomorrow. I guess,
if we
right?
have chaos tomorrow, make a bunch of money in Bitcoin pops, and
I can give my word that I'll do another chug or something. See,
10 a.m. live stream or something.
oh Jesus, dude!
Like that one day.
It's so late my time. Like, okay, I just open this beer. I'm gonna drink it. And it's like I just put the wizard hat on. And it's like, dude, open is 8 hours away from now. I'm gonna be like 6 beers freaking deep when I've been not drinking anything. I don't even know how I'm still sober right now. Like, this is crazy.
Just go bowling tomorrow. It's no big deal.
I could, but I don't know, man. It's like you go bowling and then you're done, and it's like, ah, great.
Why would is that what people think of when they're drunk? I'm gonna go bowling.
Dude, I'm in Alabama. What am I gonna do? Like, I'm in the suburbs. This town sucks as it is. I can't say I'm in the suburbs.
What if you pay it off in community IRL? Just like overtime.
Yeah, I could, I guess. I just like, you know, I'm not a big chugger man when I'm not streaming. I don't know. I'm trying to, like, you know, be healthy and conscious of my weight, everything, right? I just want to be in shape, and it's a lot better than just not being in shape and chugging all the time. So I don't know. These Thursdays get me, dude. I'm doing all I can to keep up with them, man. Yeah, it's tough.
That's where the news starts to. I don't know. Someone should hop up. Peloton should be like, you know, it's the #1 way to die from Corona Connect. Being in shape. Buy a Peloton bike today.
By not biking.
Dude, it's true though. No one's taking advantage of it. No one, dude. I'm.
Finance. Our business is skyrocketing.
Oh yeah.
Like,
Oh yeah.
I don't want to
personal
go to
training.
gyms.
Yeah.
No, I'm not personal. I sell like the
gym, but
people have in the home.
you probably you don't have the amenity of personal training at all. If you wanted for extra revenue. Okay.
No, because it's a way more expensive insurance.
Oh yeah, liability or whatever.
We have a liability insurance that covers people demoing equipment for 30 minutes.
How about an option trade, a chug for like push-ups or something? That'd be fun. A wheel spin for exercise. That'd be funny as no one would tip though, Kanatoma, dude. Jesus.
You gotta put your feet on the couch if you're gonna do push-ups.
You have to be 6. Nah, you need a pull-up bar for that one.
I have a pull-up bar.
Do you go to a local gym, or do you have stuff
I have
in the house?
I have everything in my house. I have a treadmill, I have a weight set, everything. Yeah.
What type of treadmill do you have?
If you want me to, I can go look at it. Hold on, give me 2 seconds. It's like it's in my secondary office.
Dude, if you had a variation for 10 pull-ups, I guarantee you people would still be tipped.
He also keeps 3 personal trainers in his closet.
Maybe he can chug a beer and do some pull-ups at the same time.
Sounds
Or
dangerous.
We could do like one wheel for spins and then like one wheel for like the Peloton, and like if you do like bears versus bulls, you know, like so some people can like tip for admission.
Okay, it's a ProTech Proform.
Okay.
I don't know. I remember getting it from a couple in Hoover, you know, picked it up. So it was like they had a kid and they weren't using it anymore. And it's like, maybe you should keep using it. Anyway, but I got it.
Run on
Good money. It didn't cost much.
Someone old.
No, not at all. It was a couple that just had a kid and they were both like, how often? Brand new treadmill, I guess. It was a brand new treadmill. For sure. Like, it was not used. You could just, it was just brand new. And it's like, it's nice though. I'm getting back in touch with my young self. It's been nice. It's also keeping me sane. For sure. I don't know. Eventually, I'm going to get the F out of here and never come back. Like, that's real talk. It'll happen.
Hey, it helps if you set like a schedule, like on every Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. Like I have to work out every morning.
No.
Schedule it. It's so much easier than like just telling yourself to do it whenever.
No, my schedule is I'll normally do it right after stream. So I'll get done with stream. I'll go eat like fruit. I'll stretch, and then I go. And so it's like as soon as I get on streaming, it's like, okay, it's time to exercise. So, and I've gotten in a good habit of it.
Wait, cardio combo.
Oh yeah, dude, like running stairs, sprints, walk, sprint, walk. You know what is it?
We're running stairs. Who are you exercising with, dude?
No, I didn't say weird. Did I say weird? No, dude. I said
Yeah,
running
you also
stairs.
said conversating, dude.
Oh, yeah, dude.
Hey Mitch, you know what works really good is I have a killer weight vest. Take it out and you do body weight plus the weight vest. Every
Oh,
pound you
yeah.
lose, you gain it back in muscle because it's easier for you to work out.
Yeah, I remember I used to have one of those a long time ago. So like my treadmill has this incline. It's super nice. Like I go up to like 6 on the incline. Man, it's like it's like a completely different exercise than just running, flat. But yeah, putting weights on, weight training, like, resistance, I guess, training, you'd call it. I should do that. Put them on my ankles, on my, put on your, there's a vest. There's different types of weights you can put on.
Want to wear a vest? You don't want to.
You don't want to wear a vest because your back, right?
Don't put them on your ankles though. That'll kill you. Like that'll kill your hip flexors and your joints.
Okay. Yeah. I guess that's what incline's for, right? That's because you're gonna get. What's going on with the music?
There's these really high-end weight vests that are designed to be worn under like foot pads and shit. I'll see if we have one.
Yeah, mine I bought from a company in Idaho, and it has little pill weights, and it fits super snug, and the thing is tight. It's good.
Dude, this music's so good. If it wouldn't stop lagging, someone's saying Ethereum's pumping. Ethereum's maybe breaking out. Oh, Ethereum.
Get one of those those masks,
What's also real nice is
mask,
those,
yeah. All
good
right.
hiking backpacks,
Noted.
so like real high quality ones. They put all the weight on your hips instead of your shoulders. Like even weight vests, they put it on your. It's just better for your back.
Excuse me. Do we have some sort of Rising 3 methods? I'm sorry, Rising 3 valleys pattern on Ethereum that's breaking out right now? Are you kidding me? Chat, can y'all like look at this on the chart that I'm posting? It's right here. It exists.
I literally just said something about it while you were gone.
Oh my god. This could be momentous, and it's kind of more like an ascending triangle, I get it. Dude, Ethereum Connect, like conservative, whatever.
See some sort of inverted all same measure moves.
Oh my god, I hate when it does that, when you accidentally grab you grab two things at once. Oh, it happens to line up perfectly with the 618, which is the top of the golden zone. Oh my god. Wow. I'm so surprised, everyone. A bullish pattern trying to break out in a bullish trend overall. This is bullish. You pull back. This is like VeChain. This is just like VeChain. Yeah, man. What the F? All right. See you at 258 in time. If we're lucky. All right. Up in the jug.
50 days sitting at like 246 right now.
Okay, 50%. All right. Well, we'll see. Well, it's Ethereum. So if the macro holds
50%, the 50-day moving average.
It's at 248. You say?
Oh, maybe mine's not. No, it's at 246.
Okay, but yeah, the high to low Fibonacci is 248. So it's a 50% retrace. So the 50 moving average at the 50% retrace. Boom. That's what I'm saying.
Let's go,
mind blown, right? Yeah. It happens sometimes. And you're now right back below that confirmation line, if you will.
Oh no.
Oh yeah.
Are those coinciding variables out here?
Coinciding variables. Did that work? Or did I just sound crazy?
Nah, you faded out at the end, dude.
But did the echoes work?
Nah, not through Discord. But I just imagined it echo, like you're fading out.
It should work. This doesn't work right now. You can't hear this. The echo.
Oh, that works now. Yeah.
But no, I'm talking about this, man.
I don't know.
You can't. Can no one hear the difference right now?
I think it was just cutting off too early.
Breaker one man.
We had mad Echo Connect.
I don't know what this is. What is this one again? Can somebody tell me, man?
It's a robot.
What happened to me?
Auto-tune.
Okay, we're good. Sorry, it's stupid.
You gonna sing?
God forbid it. Oh, I have alcohol in my system. Jeez, hold on.
We want Whitney Houston on auto-tune.
Whitney Houston Connect. Oh, it's my favorite Connects of all time. It's actually the first Whitney Houston Connect we've ever done. So history was made tonight. Anyway.
Once a week, Mitch should do a show all in a voice.
All in, boys. Oh my god, dude. Yeah, we're just gonna do this one all night, baby. Yeah. No thanks, dude. That's the robot vagina voice. Literally says robot. Police robot vagina. I'm looking at it.
What was the Biden meme to Harry Potter that I posted it? I don't know what this means, but
oh yeah, something about not Slytherin, because it's like the hatting. They do a hat where this magical hat will pick you to be Slytherin, Gryffindor, Hufflepuff, or Butthole, whatever the other one was, and yeah, he was like not Slytherin, and it's like you're gonna be Slytherin Connect. It's like, okay, Dad.
That's his entire campaign, just him and the Obama memes. I'll throw a little support behind him. I do it for the meme.
Do it for the memes, dude. You do it for the kings. Okay.
Look here! Look, listen!
Appearing offline does not even stop it. Dude, I don't know how much longer I can last. We got Ethereum breaking out. Spoiler alert, XRP is just rising, but not truly doing exactly what we want. We want it to just moonshot, but it's still there. I think it would be if you actually anchored from the top point of the consolidation structure, onesie twosie, you have broken out. It is a breakout confirmed on XRP. Oh my god, it's a magical triangle, man. Fine, you broke out as a magical triangle. Great. Long way to go. Dude, this is pretty much this XRP trade is kind of like Lord of the Rings, man. They're still in the effing Shire, and it's like, really, dude? You've never even left the Shire before? What a freaking scrub. Great. So, you hadn't even broke the top of the pattern yet. It's pathetic. 24.751 pennies. Dude, the second
man spin that wheel.
The second target isn't even the growl theory. That's pathetic. Like, if you can't do that, what do you even exist for? Thank you, Miss Shav, for the 10. Let's do it. Wheel spin connect. Dude, I'm telling you, I'm gonna be so hungover. Oh, thank God.
If you drink for another half hour, 45 minutes, you'll buzz during the open.
No, I won't. I'll be passed out, unable to function. I just want to watch it. I just want to watch the world burn with cash. Be like, it sucks for many people, but it's like, what can we do? I mean, like, responsibly, you can't do it. Like, trying to play it right now is just stupid. It's so volatile. It goes against everything of a swing trader, right? Where it's like, oh, the mantra of we wait for consolidation, but let's let the consolidation, if there is consolidation, let's not let it be 1,000-point swings every day. That's not really consolidation. That's like, we don't know what's going on. Over and over and over again. I mean, how rarely do you see this much volatility on the stock market? How rarely? I'm talking the indices, not just individual assets.
I can't remember any 2013, 2015 dumps. There's never been
not like this though. Not like every single day. These percentage moves.
Back,
it's like average.
We're up 300 points and finished the day down 1,160 points. It's like, what?
I think in the past 2 weeks, it's been like 2.66% average gains or losses on the S&P 500. I don't know if that's ever happened in this amount of time, like this many days. So why would it be any different tomorrow? Why would tomorrow just not be volatile? Just wondering.
Liquidity's pretty thin.
So you think it wouldn't be volatile tomorrow because liquidity's thin?
Well, kind of like last week, I did the bonds market close an hour early, futures markets, and I mean, I don't know. Last week, majority of that end of that green candle was in the last 5 minutes. It ripped up at the very end.
Oh yeah. That Friday was nuts, man. It's like where it's like, what? Yeah, I was lucky to just be able to see that, and it's like, oh my god, that's why you got to pay attention. That's like why being hungover tomorrow is gonna be terrible. I mean, I'm gonna be hungover, man. Like it's just gonna be real.
They have a vested interest in kind of not making it just like a people have 48 hours. God,
yeah, 48 hours for you.
All this news, yeah. So, because then people pull their funds out, they're not getting the management fees.
Don't panic. Don't panic. And what?
Nice and early, have some Vegemite toast.
I did
with butter, mate. With butter.
That January 31st.
Araconda jellyfish.
That was an insane day, and that was. This is something. This might be a good sign to go ahead and lock in stuff, and then we ran another 8-9%. Catch that, but then clunk.
Oh yeah. It was like that effing. It was all the variables there, right? All the it was a quadruple MACD bearish divergence at a 1618 fib extension. It did dump 2.5%, then resoundingly rallied with the 3 stupid gaps, went up a little bit above the 1618, but then it did show bearish divergence on the RSI before the crash. I mean, which is pretty much a real crash. I mean, that's the fastest we've ever lost 10% of collective value in history. There's never been a time where it was that fast. Like, bah. So here's your future chart on the bottom. That's just the YM. That's the Dow Jones Industrial 25,856 right now live. And then in the top
where's NASDAQ, the company?
Oh god, dude. It's NASDAQ Incorporated. How about chat Geo? Oh my god, let's go.
Because it's like,
Gee, oh my god!
Is that a joint?
Bruh.
NDAQ? I thought it was the same thing. I thought I had NASDAQ Composite. I thought it said that. It wasn't much different.
No, you had NASDAQ. It was $100. You didn't notice that difference?
I don't know, man. Maybe I didn't, but I thought, I swear to God, I saw like NASDAQ Composite, NDAQ.
And NDAQ is the company, NASDAQ. So like CME, you can buy shares in ICE, you can buy shares in SIBO, you can buy shares in
CME, yeah.
So CME, like
dumping, futures back down, selling off.
Oh, we got a Patreon pledge, dude.
Yeah, Gia. Thank you, Gia. Appreciate the. Wow, is that 185 patrons now? Holy mother of God.
Let's get to 188 for episode 888.
No, it's 180. Yeah, it's 185. Oh my god. Let's go, dude. Thank y'all. But
we're now tied with our second highest.
What's the highest it's been?
Oh, we won't get there. It was like 260 to 280. Yeah.
It was 278.
278. Jesus.
What was that, over the summer?
That was June. That was July, coming off of June, which we were almost at 14K. Yeah, that was the FOMO month. It was the month after the insane run, right? The climax of it all that we still have not recovered from. And dang, dude, look at these futures dumping right now, saying F this high. I got to get out of here and make lower lows soon. Please let me get to lower lows. And the VIX is beginning to rise again.
I feel like if you stream on YouTube with the Patreon, you kind of create some FOMO anyway.
What do you mean?
Like people want to be a part of the chat and stuff.
Well, you can be a part of the chat. You don't have to necessarily be a patron. Are you talking about like just tonight, a once a week nightly thing where most people don't show up for it? It's just normally just us hanging out, having a good time. Or are you talking about the Discord like Patreon chat, like where it's like access at all times?
He's talking about like the pre-games and actually hanging out.
Yeah,
on the stream.
both.
Oh yeah, I mean yeah, like it's a wonderful amenity, but like let's be real here, you know, there's a crap load of people in the Discord chat right now, the voice chat, but like 185 patrons we have, right? So what percentage of patrons participate in the voice chat?
We got about 20 people in here, right?
Yeah, dude, it's a very small percentage, and it's always been that way. So they're not here for that. They're joining, I think, mainly just because they support what I do and they just want me to keep coming back. Because like we don't get that much feedback, you know, like trade setups, they happen, they're good, they can play out, they sometimes don't, and sometimes like some months are better than others, right? Because I'm sorry, man, but like if you were a patron November, December, it was good. Maybe January too. God, because like January 3rd, we were posting all the trade setups, like, and they were taking off like January 4th, 5th, 6th, and they were just gone until February 14th. So it's like timing sometimes is everything, but like it's hard to time the Patreon because it's like you're probably better off joining when things aren't pumping because you might have a better chance of like
You join Patreon when no one wants to join.
exactly. It's like people FOMOing in. It's like, dude, the trades are over. The swing trades happened last month, 2 months ago, and you know the setups were all occurring, and it takes time for these trades to set up. You know, like where there's actual like coinciding variables. You can't force that stuff. And so people are getting in when it's over, when the pony, it's already left the station, whatever you want to say. I don't know, man. I'm alcohol. I'm about to tell you exactly what my alcohol is. My BAC Connect.
0.11.
111 Connect.
0.10. Gonna be 5.
All right, we'll see. Here it is.
0.144.
Well, let me hack this thing. Fetching the numbers. It is.
Yeah, one thing we might actually start doing for patrons is recording our pre-games before the stream because a lot of times it's good education.
Wow.
And I think that might actually get more people to show up when they actually
0.097. Not even 0.1. We're close though. Isn't 0.1 drunk, right?
I mean, 0.1 is illegal.
0.08 is legally drunk.
Still legal. God. What's wrong with me?
Once you get to
0.08.
That's good.
Well, no, but 0.1, right? Dude, Dow is getting devastated. It's not as low as it will be. I'm telling you, we wake up, we'll be down 500 points. What are we down right now, total? Like, from the open. Futures open 26,000. Okay, what does it say? It says open 25,816. Do I believe that? How is that real? It's so confusing on this because it says it right there. 25,816. That's bullcrap. I don't believe it. I'm looking like exactly what the time is.
200 points.
It's down way more. It's got to be 300 now, right? It's got to be, dude. It's like down so much. Yeah, 280 points. Yeah, I mean, you're down like almost 300 points, and it's going to we'll be down maybe 500 points by open. This is awful, dude. Like, and the 10-year treasury yield keeps just dumping, man, nonstop. It's not stopping. It's imploding. We've never seen it this low ever. I mean, hey, dude, you can say all you want that maybe, just maybe, it's not a big deal what's going on. And it's just a correction. And maybe it might be a 10% pullback, whatever, and we recover resoundingly. But, dude, there are a bunch of bad things going on at the same time with this market. I'm just saying, I'll tell you this, man. Cash is king. For real right now. And you've had plenty of opportunity to be saving for, saving cash. Because I think it could get a lot worse before it gets a lot better. I mean, just think about why is... What's up? Buying protection.
Portfolio protection when I sent you that article.
Yeah. Yeah, puts connect. Yeah, man.
Just so expensive. You have to
oh
sell
yeah,
spread to
dude.
make it worth your
There's
while.
just it's all F now, man. It's like it's predictable that people will be buying puts now. Maybe going short. Higher risk now than it much higher risk than it was to go short or buy puts. And so now it's like, and here's the point where it could pump at any time. It could pump and you could get destroyed.
Q4 2018 where it dumped and then there'd be a day to rip back up 3.5% and liquidate a bunch of people that were over leveraged and then dump back down again.
And that's exactly, you're just
November,
describing.
We ran back up.
You're describing the characteristic of what happened this time.
February, March, April.
2 days ago.
We did that.
No, do not think the crypto market's going to crash. No, Foddy. Not really. No. Crypto looks better than equities right now. Dude, like legit. The chart looks 10 times better than equities. I'm just telling you, man. If you look at the weekly.
Good.
No, I'm just saying, if you look at the weekly on Bitcoin, crypto looks 10 times better than equities right now. Sorry. Better
Look at
value.
the chart and NEE on like the weekly.
The Knights of Knee.
It's not the most bullish chart in history.
So NEE, right?
Yeah, Nextera.
Oh yeah, we've looked at this. I have the chart.
So I just added
Parabola
more to that.
Connect.
Jesus.
It continued up. Look, let's update the friggin' chart, man.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is kind of
there's
off. It's like
ton of money. That's going to be a safety sector. So we had a bull run of what's considered your safety trades. So you had this time, April,
Jesus.
May-ish last year, you had bond market way up, yields down, inverted yield curve. May kind of dumped down. Then you had consumer staples and
oh, sorry, God.
utilities and real estate. The REITs, you had a bull run on that, and then you had your huge tech run and kind of towards the end there. But yeah.
What do these people even do?
Rank.
what
What's
NEE energy
What does NEE even do?
electric utilities, electric, right?
They own a ton of different your power company, water and power company. And they just bought out, this will be their first summer owning the largest utility company in Texas. Oh.
Whoa.
Gone, dude. Parabola. So when it ends, it'll be nasty at some point.
For like years too.
Oh yeah, just non-stop. The parabola didn't really start till 2015, right? The higher lows started getting really elevated, and then you had this channel, and you broke the channel like nothing, like butter. And yeah, your all-time high like 283. Wow, man, it's nuts, man.
So of XLU, that is all the utilities got bought heavily. That's 15% of the XLU ETF.
I mean, I'm looking at their website now. It says they're in 36 different states.
Yeah.
Soon they'll grow more, I'm sure.
You want lights on, you pay us Connect. Utilities are monopoly. Mother effort.
2982 on the S&P futures. Really not as bad as, I mean, I thought it was going to be worse. I guess it's not as bad. I don't know. It's still bad. It's awful. And we'll probably see much lower open. Gold, though. You think gold, sorry. You think gold's probably doing stuff well?
Later, Bankhead.
Of course it is. Look at that, man. It hit just recently 1680 again. God stock. In a way. Gold. Freaking love it, man. It's like this and Gilead, man. Just in a way. I mean, I'm still losing, you know, like my retirement's like still getting kind of bleh, but you know, gold and Gilead doing things in gold. FOMO probably gonna kick in. Now, the divergence, though, it's kind of concerning, right? You know, a high, like a barely higher high with lower levels of positive Momo, lower levels of relative strength. You better just hope it just goes, man, because there's nothing here. There's no like, there's no real resistance. You see where we are. Like, you look left, it's nothing, dude. Oh, one little valley, one little scrub valley back from November 2012. I mean, I'm telling you.
It's like the bullish corn. It's like you got to keep moving up, otherwise there's room to fall.
There's just nowhere like but up. But the thing is, fundamentally, you can't say that, right? Because it's kind of hard to say with Bitcoin, right? It's just Bitcoin's fundamentals are not as solidified or concrete as gold, right? You know, because we know what gold is. Bitcoin's fundamentals are different than gold's, right? Right?
Liquid gold.
Yeah, Velveeta cheese. Yeah.
It's my retire.
Dude, I'm saying, right? You get it. It's like
6 Bitcoin and these 7,000 ADAs. What? We don't have 401ks no more, so.
Yeah, screw 401ks, screw Roth IRAs, screw stocks. It's crypto only. That's like, dude, legit. Many people join this market like that. Like, screw the system. It's all Bitcoin. And
I joined this market like that, and now I watch everything.
Yeah, because there's just no point in not watching everything. It's so fascinating. It's like if you care about
I don't even
TA,
care what, dude. Just look at the chart. Like that's all that matters. I don't even care what I'm trading anymore.
but it's just fun to like know like what is gold? Oh, what is gold? The 6,000-year hedge. It's like always been there. You know. Oh, what's it doing? Hey, what's copper doing? Oh, it sucks. Gold? Yeah, what's freaking wheat doing right now? You know, what's
dude,
freaking sugar. Oh my god. Sugar is a god now.
Diabetes.
Yeah, the diabetes is on the rise. Michelle Obama is no more. Okay, that dumpage, she ushered in the end of sugar. But sugar's back in full effect. And it started with what pattern? Y'all remember? Come on. The Gottlieb. Yeah, that's right, mate. The freaking Gottlieb, mate. We are kings.
Yeah, boy.
Vegemite Gottlieb. All right. We're good. Don't worry, mate. We'll be going down to Australia at some point.
Vegemite has like 2 pounds of sugar per like teaspoon.
Oh, Jesus. Wait, wait. So are we waiting on buying tickets to Japan?
Actually.
Probes? Are we waiting on getting tickets? Because the tickets I'm hearing are continuously dumping on price. So,
I mean, dude, I already got like everything planned to go to the Olympics there, but
you think it's gonna get canceled? Because they said it's definitely not gonna be canceled. They said no way.
Gonna destroy, dude. It'll destroy their The Yakuza will never let that happen, dude.
Really?
I was seeing round trip to Thailand for 500.
Yeah, one of my friends went from
Texas for 800.
Went from San Francisco to Germany round trip for $400.
Dude, we should just book a bunch of flights everywhere and go just plan it out.
No one's flying. No one's buying hotel or any of the things that come with it.
They're devastated.
So, like,
Marriott.
Anywhere in the world, dude, fully paid. For
so cheap.
$1,000 round trip.
If American Airlines is up, goddamn.
Let's go, dude. All right. So what do we do? Do we wait still?
I'm talking to like friends that are professional volleyball players.
Nah, you buy now.
Like,
for the
are
future,
they?
Dude. They're just trying to get money on in their bank.
But
right
you have to be able to get a.
You can buy for like 2 years from now, dude. It doesn't matter.
Well, no, the Olympics is this year.
But just traveling in general. Like they just want money, dude. So you can buy.
There's talk of American Airlines bringing back fly anywhere pass. It's like $250,000, and you can fly first class anywhere you want, however much you want.
I don't want to spend $250K for that, though. That's insane.
There are those
to fly first class for the rest of your life.
Yeah, but that's still. I mean, hey man, 250K. All right, hey, It's a lot's a lot,
You get discounts. Well, I'll buy it, and you guys can buy discounted first class tickets.
Okay, I'm down, dude. Let's do it.
Yeah.
All right.
I'm not flying anything but first class to Japan. I've done it before, and
Well, let's go, man. Dude. I'm telling you, I'm asking you, like, if Logan's going and we're going, whatever. When do we plan? When do we buy? I know we do things. I guess you're still wondering.
I'd say
Logan has started the Yakuza.
Probably
I
within
guess.
a couple weeks. No, I want to see what like I have friends that are the top team for USA beach volleyball and like what they're hearing.
Ladies or?
Yeah, ladies.
Nice.
Like Carrie Walsh.
Let's go. There's not a men's volleyball team. That'd be weird, right? There probably is, though. I don't know.
They have men's beach volleyball. Yeah.
Okay.
Phil
I'm glad I asked then.
Like a 6'9", 185-pound fucking. It's called the Thin Beast.
Jeez.
6'9", 185 pounds.
Crypto Pepe said, "Imagine if all these athletes had to wear high-tech masks. That'd be hilarious, in a way. It's like the meme. Summer 2020 be like everyone in like hazmat suits jumping in the pool, walking the beach holding hands in hazmat suits. Love it."
Well, the big issue would be the Olympic Village. You know, it's like not it staying near the Italians, not it staying near the Chinese delegation. Like they're all tucked into that Olympic Village and stuck with
Is that a joint?
So
H-bar,
Thoughts
oh my
on
god.
Barcoin chart and future potential of project development. Barcoin hash graph.
H-bar.
There's a guy that just posted to Twitter his flight to Italy. He was the only one on the plane.
What? Dude, let's get tickets now, man.
And they probably
oh my
paid
God.
him. They probably paid him to go on the plane.
Dude, let's get tickets now. Oh my god, that sounds amazing.
I mean, if
Oktoberfest in Germany.
So
we can knock that out, and in Japan.
Oktoberfest,
it'll cost
in
less
Germany
to go to
with
Vegas,
credit card points
for
free.
Yeah, dude. Oh, so we get Japan tickets and we get freaking Germany tickets like now, right?
Oh, let me see what. So you'd want to go. We'd probably go towards the end of it.
Things pumping.
Because that's
you can crash
have the
at my spot
better
in
events.
Tokyo, dude.
Dude,
So
yeah.
just get the
Well,
plane ticket.
whatever. I mean, like,
we're renting out the Emperor's Palace for like $50 a night.
that's ridiculous. That's so
Nah,
cheap.
The Emperor stays in the palace, bro.
Yo, can we rent a cruise line, please? Like, or
Oh,
like
yeah.
a cruise
Dude, that's
No,
what
we're
Probes was
for, like,
joking
a month?
about that.
We're gonna buy a freaking
5
Royal Caribbean
bitcoins.
cruise boat.
We're gonna buy one for
Be
5
like,
bitcoins.
Yeah.
Hedra Hashgraph is pumping right now.
$45,000. This is costing you about 80 grand a day sitting there.
F, man.
Take the money or don't. So let's see.
Music, dude. What's
the
going on?
Olympics, August
God,
9th is
freaking
closing
lag.
ceremonies. So maybe flying out like
Ooh, look at Hedra pumping.
Thursday, July 30th, and coming back
670
maybe
coming.
a week later.
Oh my God, 660. Dude, this is super volatile right now. We're looking at Hedra Hashgraph. If someone tipped, wanted to look at it, and it's pumping in real time as we speak and breathe.
H-bar.
We're gonna do things, man. Or, oh my God, we're gonna do things. Oh my God.
So 29th is
You okay, dude? You okay?
No. Sorry. Got ahead of myself. Or behind myself. I don't know. Sexually. Non-sexually. Sorry. Welcome to alcohol. This is what it does. So you're going to hit a resistance. We're trying to set it up at a point in time that was February 12th, just 2 days before Valentine's Day, where the crypto dabbing had his Valentine. He graciously asked, "Will you be my Valentine, Hedra Hashgraph?" And on that day, Hedra Hashgraph said no because it's February 12th. Okay, it's not even Valentine's Day. Get wrecked.
Bruh.
Anyway, Back to tickets. What were you saying? Sorry.
I'm looking up prices right now.
Yeah, versus what I paid for tickets not even a month ago, it's already I think 60% less.
Jesus.
For my round trip flight to.
Thank God I didn't buy those tickets for Cali yet. They probably just keep going down.
Cancel and redo.
You definitely
for
should.
sure.
You think how many people are doing that, right? Canceling their tickets that they bought at nice prices for them and are just redoing them. Jesus. I mean, that's got to kill. That's probably what.
You should do that.
I mean, I haven't bought
time.
tickets yet.
It's a great time to travel. We should all do it.
You should do that and just have the insurance to cancel where you just get free cancellation and then.
This is karma.
Right now.
Y'all remember karma for last time? Remember I was traveling somewhere. I think it was to Vegas, and I got effed over so bad. American Airlines, and look at them now. Look at you now, you mother effers. Not you, but them. Like, remember, like they were screwing me around. They were like kept delaying my flight like 5 different times over the course of like 3 hours, and then they were like, "Sorry, we're gonna cancel you and put you on another flight tomorrow. Is that okay?" And it's like, no, it's fucking not okay. Are you kidding me? Like, that's what they were trying to do, and it's like, chickens will come home to roost, and welcome to the roosting of the chickens. That's it. Jesus.
Welcome to the roosting of the chickens.
And the bungalow suite.
Let's see. Round trip to Tokyo for
Tokyo.
basically middle of the Olympics to flying back a couple days before closing ceremonies. $718 round trip from LAX.
700 round trip.
It's kind of expensive for what's going on right now. I think, right?
That's during the Olympics, so if you do it outside of that time, I bet it's cheap.
Yeah, wouldn't we go before or something?
Like at the Brazil Olympics, just for a flight down there, within like a few weeks of the Olympics, like everything was in the thousands. From
of course,
the U.S.
That makes sense.
So for it to be $700 round trip, that's like ridiculous.
In Japan, man. Dude, I friggin' love Japan. I want to go. And I'd love to go during the Olympics. It'd be amazing. Late summer, hot.
Like, if I change the dates, it's probably going to be like a $200 price difference. Wah. I'd rather have the Olympics going on.
Well, we could go before the Olympics, right? Like a couple days or something before? I don't know. Would that help with the price? Like, I don't care about, dude, time. I don't really care about how long I'm gone, you
Plus,
know?
there's like other places to explore in Japan other than just that, where they are building all the Olympic infrastructure, right?
Oh, yeah, dude, for sure.
So
I mean, I just want to
just explore for like a week or 2 days, 3 days.
One night, like, Probes has a kid and stuff and a
Yeah,
wife, so
stuff.
it's like, we got to make sure it's good for him on that. So, I mean, I guess I could go early, but
You got a kid and stuff.
hey, man, that's a cool thing. That's a cool thing having a kid. So, I get it, respect it.
Yeah, I can get away
We'll love to
with
partake one day, certainly.
We should go to Nyamisha and chill in the art world and then go straight to Tokyo.
the crazy blonde
Dude,
lady
we should get, like, do y'all want to go? Anyone that wants to go, I mean, to Japan, man, with us.
Dude,
I mean,
same
I would
exact
not
price as
object.
going 2 weeks before the Olympics.
Nyamisha is really cool, dude.
Yo, I'd be
Nyamisha.
down.
Would you? Would y'all be down? Dude,
I
like,
would though.
I might actually with the cost decrease from my whole honeymoon.
let's go, dude. Brad, do it, man. Let's go, man. I know I'm going. Like, it's kind of certain.
Where
I know.
are you guys flying to? Tokyo or Osaka?
I don't know. That's going to be on them. They're going to decide, and I just do things. So
Maybe Kobe. Yeah, to check the prices though. Like, you don't want to get overwhelmed when you get to Japan.
NRT is the airport code. I don't know.
Bitcoin 9130 again, near the highest side.
chat?
And then HND to come back, but NRT, I have no idea what NRT is.
As for the Olympics, so July.
Yeah. Oh, I did one during like right in the middle of the
Remy
Olympics,
wants to
and then
go?
leaving like 2 days before the closing ceremonies. $768 to go 2 weeks before the Olympics start.
I mean, like, that will be done. If it has to be that price, it has to be that price. I don't really, money's not like the biggest deal. It's like, oh my God, dude. Yeah. I mean, that sounds kind of cheap, you know, because I know it would probably been so much more expensive without coronavirus right now, right? It'd probably be like $1,200 to $1,500, right? Without it.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. So, whatever. $700 for a trip to friggin' Japan, man? You kidding me? I want to know how cheap it is to go to Germany this far out from Oktoberfest, right? It's freaking March. It's got to be cheaper than that, right?
Google's saying they're half off.
What, Japan or?
Japan. I'm looking for from the West Coast to Japan to Tokyo, and
that's like what I would do, right?
$770.
I would travel from Atlanta to Cali to Japan, you'd think, right? Layover.
Yeah, I mean, I'm already out here. I'm close to Logan, so it just makes sense for me to leave.
Well, we should figure something out. I mean, like, you know, we should not make it an exclusive thing. Like, if people want to, like, come, you know, and, like, to Japan and they got the means to make it and hang out, like, dude, I'd like to have, the more people, the better. It'd be way more fun with a lot of people versus just a few of us, right? I think. That's just my opinion. Why not? How often do we not get to do this? To where, I mean, I'm working at home like every day in the suburbs, dude. So
you walking around live streaming just totally fit in there.
Oh yeah, of course.
Oh, for sure.
Absolutely.
Yeah, we could take the Shinkansen like anywhere we want to go. The speed train.
Oh yeah.
Joel and I are walking around there. Both, well, the Olympic athletes are there, so we won't be the Godzillas walking around.
That's okay though. I have red hair, so Japanese girls are like, oh. According to.
Oh.
Those gaijin
photos of you.
You saw.
Dude, it's weird. That culture is insanely different, you know. So, my sister's like a fiery redhead, like far more of a redhead than me, and like, she goes there. She loves Japan and that culture, and she's been there like countless times. And like when she goes, people just randomly want to take pictures. It's like weird. It's a weird culture, dude. Like, hey, I don't know you, but you're a redheaded girl that's white. Let me take a picture with you. It doesn't make sense.
World on the Gold Coast.
They don't have gingers there, man. They don't make them there.
Well, yeah, it'll just be fun. Let's do it. Let's figure it out. Let's get a thing going. You know, like a message group or whatever needs to be done. And I'm down. I mean, I know I'm going. I know Probes is going, you know, and I know Logan's going. Bradford, you got to make it up. You got to figure it out and make up your mind, I guess. I know it'd be good because then you can be accountable for me, dude. It's amazing.
What time of the year? What time of the year are you trying to do this?
Yeah,
Japan's.
so I can start looking.
Yeah, it's like late July, right? Yeah.
Oh, yeah, it doesn't work for me.
Yeah, Brian. Yeah, it's easy flight for you, right?
I think that's only a month after my Thailand trip, so probably not going to work out.
Yeah,
Dang
you
it,
know
bro.
what? The winter is freaking cold. Like it'd be better to go in the summer this time, for me at least.
Well, yeah. I mean, we're going because of the Olympics, right? It's like there's a reason. We're not just going to Japan just to hang out. We're going to hang out, but it's like hang out and the excuse is the Olympics, and then we'll get to some events of the Olympics, which I don't know which ones we do.
I got connections to a bunch of.
Yeah, we could go to any event, whatever, doesn't matter. That's like the main thing is figuring out, are we going? Yeah, we're going. Okay, what dates? And then, okay, when are we flying in? All right.
Oktoberfest right now, going from Thursday, September 17th to September 24th. It's only a week, but it's all about the
I'd like to
race.
go
Take it.
when it's like between September and October. I know it's like a month-long thing, right?
The first Sunday in October is the end of October. So
Oh, wow.
It is.
Damn, Japan's not bad for the Aussie dollar. $680. Whoop whoop.
That isn't bad, mate.
Maybe Aussie dollar pump a little bit.
There you do.
Get cheaper. Yeah, so I don't know. I'd check it. There's Sunday, October 3rd. So it's like a really quick Sunday this year. Let me see the Munich Oktoberfest.
Hey, Julia.
Julia Guskuski.
Yeah.
Julia. Hello, hello.
All incognito in here.
Julia, we're going to Japan and Germany this year.
Saturday,
yeah,
September
that's-
19th to Sunday, October 4th is October.
When's the Olympics?
Late July?
Late July.
All right.
What is TML Winter in France, Gia? Are you the Gia that joined the Patreon? Is it you? Show yourself. What is TML though? In France.
Tomorrowland?
Tomorrowland? No way. What? I would love to go to Tomorrowland in... Well, there's Tomorrow World, I think, in Atlanta, which is right down the road. But I'd love to go to the European one. It'd be so lit, dude. Freaking love that music. So good. Dude, I want to definitely travel. Like, a lot. And I've been grinding, right? I've been sticking it out. I've been frugal.
Dude, round two.
I haven't been
Last
spending...
year we just did like, we dipped our toes round one.
Yeah, that was like, meh.
We gotta get out of country now.
Yeah. I agree. Dude, I've never really, besides Tijuana, I've never really left America, right? I have a passport. I've just never...
Oh, you got to use it, Mitch.
I'm like a hobbit, dude.
Americans dude, we're so blessed that like we can travel so many places without even getting a visa. Like we could just show up to the country. And be
Oh
like,
yeah, you're
I'm gonna
American
go
hype.
get
He's got money.
effed up. Yeah, you're just like, I'm gonna go get effed up and take advantage of all your sites.
Tomorrowland is canceled. Are you effing? Hey, Tomorrow World, come on, y'all. We can go to Atlanta together, right? It's not as good probably, but it's still amazing. So that is quite disappointing, dude. Freaking virus. But hey, maybe we can all go to the Olympics together then instead, right?
You come
Dude,
to
big-
Australia for 30k, yeah?
I can go Australia, mate. I can go Australia. Meet myself a hot Australian girl down on the beach, mate, or something. Who knows?
He's getting better at it. Did you hear that? That mate?
Was it not good? Mate.
It was really good. Time.
It was really
No, you
good.
gotta-
Oh.
More like mine.
Wait, am I not doing it right?
You have to use your intuition, not your rationale when you say mate.
Might. Isn't it might?
One thing. Yeah, that's
1G
life.
Project might. Wait, can 1G Project try to be Australian?
Do it.
If we
Do
go
it,
to Australia, my heart is already taken.
No, that's not it. You're not attempting, dude. That was not an attempt.
Sound like a or something.
Dude, look, I'm trying to talk Australian, mate. It's not that good,
Mate.
but it's something, mate. I don't know,
Alright,
man.
I'm gonna type it. I'm gonna type it in Patreon chat. You have to say it.
Yeah,
this
it's
way,
e-
okay?
it's
Ready?
easier to... Yeah, 1G, you must say this, mate. Oh, we're on Corona Connect chat, sorry.
There you go. Say that.
1G, say it, dude.
But with
No, Chug, just saying, dude, whatever. I'm a beat you. Let me show you.
In June, 10 days, we can fly into Rome.
$20 and a donkey, you say?
Who said that?
Jeff just said $20.
That'd be Wayne Batson.
Wayne Batson. Is that your Aussie attempt? Do it again.
Good eye, mate.
Yeah, that's pretty good.
Oh, hi, 1.35. That might be because of alcohol I drank, but moments ago. Dude, whatever it is, figure it out and just tell me, and I'll just let me throw my money at it. You know, it's like, hey, this is what we're gonna do, and it's like, oh, nice. Then here it is. I'm doing it. Right. This is happening to me. That's as simple as I want it to be. So I want to do that for Germany and Japan.
Posted something in real life of Japan back in the day.
Oh yeah, IRL Connect.
Oh, you're almost at 0.14, dude. Nice.
Oh, that's
Whoa, dude. That
that
reminds me
Snow
of.
Mountain?
It's like Thatch. You could just so easy to raid that and Rust. You could just get an
You gotta
axe.
go to the.
So
you gotta
easy
go
to read it. And
You gotta go to the castles and see all the old school 1,000-year-old samurai shit, dude. That is the bomb.
Dude, that would be wonderful to do that. I would love that. And I do want to sightsee and take in all the culture of Japan and Germany. It'd be a lot of fun. I mean, I don't really care how long I'm there. I mean, I'd like to be there as long as possible. It'd be fun. Like a 2-week trip or something.
Yeah, if you're going all the way out there, it has to be at least 2 weeks, dude, minimum.
Yeah. Please don't be talking at all about how like anything's green and on the futures. Please. Oh my god, we made a higher low and now we're making a double scrub top or something weird. Like, dude, it doesn't matter. It's like not good. All right. Hey, if a miracle happens tomorrow, the S&P 500 somehow is green and closes green, but everything's kind of pointing to destruction and bad stuff tomorrow. Please don't forget that, because the alcohol I've drank tonight is going to make it tough to. I have to be up like 8 o'clock, man. 8:30, 8 o'clock pre-market. I mean, pre-market's in less than an hour and a half. It's like an hour and a half away from me. That's when it opens.
Dude, and be kings. What if the algos bank with the wizard hat on?
No way, dude. No way. I'm health.
Some guys just sitting there flipping the switch back and
What, on the futures?
Pump, dump. No, every day. Monday,
Oh, yeah,
pump,
yeah,
Tuesday,
yeah.
dump. Wednesday pump, Thursday dump.
Composite man's like high on cocaine. This is the one time every 10 years I do drugs, man. And it's just like,
dude,
wash them out.
In the Wolf of Wall Street, he's just like pounding his chest. He's like,
Yeah, dude. You never seen the Wolf of Wall Street doing computers, man. Yeah.
the first day, I actually met that dude before the book. I think the book had just come out, but well before.
Dude,
the
I used to party with his son. His son lives by you, Jeff. I'm not gonna say where, but by you.
Yeah, he lives by.
He's like 20, young 20s or something. His son is now.
So he starts telling me the story, and then tells me Martin Scorsese's making a movie out of his life story, and Leonardo DiCaprio is playing him, and I'm sitting there going, and if you live in LA, you're like, okay, you're full of shit.
Yeah.
Yeah, of course, because like,
and read the book and looked him up, and I was like, okay, this guy actually.
I mean, by the way, like he raised his child. Just like I never met his dad, but
Was his wife that
like,
hot?
This kid was trying to prove a lot, right?
He has a beachfront
did
house.
not have a healthy upbringing for sure.
In Manhattan, and his wife.
Yeah, he's in Manhattan.
They're still married, and his wife has a beachfront house in Hermosa Beach. Next.
Clayton, the pump's kind of over now. Yeah, Wall Street's going to suck tomorrow, probably.
Jeff, wasn't that his new wife though? Like,
yeah, not the one from.
Yeah, it was like the post-prison wife.
Yeah.
He still has to get back. He has to pay back like half it.
Oh yeah, that's why he's doing all these like YouTube videos.
Oh no, it's
Dude, should we get him on the stream? You think we could ever get him live on the stream? Oh my god! Like when Bitcoin's at like 20K, we get this guy on stream.
He's trying to scam, dude. He's trying to scam everyone possible. So
Oh, I know, but it'd be like, hey man, you reformed now, dude, so you can come on the stream. So like, what's up, man? Tell us about your stories, and maybe we get him to drink with us.
Yeah.
You know, we just hang out.
Like federal probation.
Okay, well, you can still hang out. I mean,
have his
dang.
federal probation up phone number on speed dial.
Dude, there's got to be a way we could get him like on stream with us or something.
Dude, he'll come on. He does like YouTube.
Yeah, if he does YouTube, man, it's like, dude, this guy is like, okay, well, he's got 1,000 people watching him. Okay, that's better than what most people are doing on YouTube that are offering to hang out, I guess. I don't know.
It's effed up, but it's kind of interesting of what they did because
it'd be nice to just interview him.
Relatable to us of what they're doing. Basically.
Dude, I could totally prepare for it. I took
propping up S coins, and
I went to college for this, dude. I can do a good interview, man. Jeez, 91.27 on Bitcoin. No, but I just think it'd be interesting. I think people, like viewers, would get a lot of entertainment out of it. Like, what the heck? This is the guy, Leonardo DiCaprio.
He does get real heated in interviews. Just the FYI.
He what?
Oh, Jordan Belfort. That's his name.
Yeah, Jordan.
He gets real heated in interviews.
Well, it's not going to be like that. I'm not going to be like, oh, I'm hardballing him, dude. It's going to be like kind of, like satirical, comedic. We're having a good time. Like I'm not an investigative reporter, right? So I'm just more like, hey, man, this is a nice little break for our community to hang out, with somebody who was big and made mistakes. What mistakes did you make? Oh, let's have a beer, right? I mean,
what's his thoughts on the market?
You BitConnect guy? You're a BitConnect to the stock market? That's great. Let's talk about it.
110 million in restitution going.
It's whatever, dude. I mean, it's like 91.30. Dang, Bitcoin.
I think he said had some really bad things to say about crypto, like when it was all.
We can ask him about it.
He's not allowed to give financial advice.
Well, hey,
it might be. That would just be an interesting topic topic to talk about.
Can Ethereum be a lead bull? Yeah, sure. It was in early February. It kind of was, or late February.
237 right now, man.
Oh yeah, break out, man.
Breaking out, dude.
It was breaking out. Hey, 200 moving average on the 4 hour. Excuse me, or. Good. But yeah, rising 3 value breakouts right now, man. Measured move would put you at 258. Are you prepared? But that was the consensus before, dude, right? Like, wasn't it without me identifying before the pattern existed, right? High to low between 239 and 258 was the target anyway. Those were the target zone. That was the target zone. So the measure move just puts you at a 618, the top of the golden zone. So not surprising, not weird, but Jesus, that's not a beautiful looking structure that I dig and I think will. I mean, this is like, I don't know why I'm not doing a trade setup on it. It's like you're patrons and you're in here right now and it's like, dang, dude, look at this. I mean, how we play it though is a little tougher because the lowest risk for these patterns is the third valley. That's where you want to enter. Right when that third valley becomes real and starts rising, that's how we get on a V-chain, right? So now it's like higher risk where it's like, okay, what if it fails? Because Bitcoin fails, well, you're screwed. Like you don't really have a good stop loss area on this breakout. I mean, like the reasonable stop would be below the third valley and dang, dude, like you're not going to get good reward or risk like that. So you might just have to be conservative here and just put it, you see where the sell-off, this mini sell-off was here. You just put the stop right below it and screw it. If so, and even doing that, you only have a 2.6 to 1 reward to risk ratio. That's okay, but it's not like what we want. So how do we even adjust for that? I mean, if you move the stop, okay, look, scale in a little bit. If that stop loss is just a minute amount right below that wick, we get ourselves 3.02 to 1 right here. But the problem is the breakout's occurring now and the entry would need to be at 234 and you're at 236. So it's like, this is why breakout buying sucks. It's not fun. And maybe it's shame on us for not identifying the pattern earlier.
I actually longed it before the breakout.
There you go.
I have a trade right now going from 220.
Oh,
it's from that last third rising, I don't even know what you call it. I just felt good about it.
The third valley?
Probably not great. Yeah, the third valley.
Third valley. You're good. No, man. It's nomenclature. It's not a big deal.
Give you a tell.
Telconnect?
I mean, I just saw how it was playing out, and I was like, this shit's gonna rise. I don't know what it was.
It was from the gods. Okay. No, you maybe you sensed it. You saw the V chain set up, and you're like, this is kind of similar.
There
maybe
was
I don't know.
a daily hammer on March 4th that from like a candlestick. I was reading about candlesticks at the time. I saw it, and I was like, this is gonna bullishly engulf, and then it bullishly engulfed right after. And then I've just been sitting on it ever since.
I don't know. I mean, on the 4 hour, I don't see much. It was a daily hammer or something.
Oh, I'm sorry. It's a 12 hour. It's a 12 hour on the 4th of March. The first candle in that.
Oh, nice. Yeah, I get it. Engulfing pin bar connect. Okay.
I saw the Stokes being like super like low as well. They were like sub 20.
Okay. Well, what? So we. All right. You got your entry. What's your target?
Realistically, right underneath the 50 right now, which is at 246.
I don't think do you have the reward risk for that?
No, I don't.
Right under the 50. Yeah, you do. You certainly do. It's like 6-1. But no, the target, the measure move, right? Screw the reward risk here. The measure move is certainly 258 or so. That's the 618. That's where it probably will go. I mean, the size of the structure, right? Look from the bottom to the top from the breakout is 258. That's where you're going to get the bang for your buck. I mean, that's like how you trade this. This is exactly what VeChain did. Same pattern. VeChain went to the target like the Jesus and then reversed. So, and Ethereum, we know about Ethereum, right? It's super bullish. Like, there are assets on the crypto market that are bullish, but then there's Ethereum that like has been doing different, it's got different tendencies to everything else, right? Where it's like outperforming Bitcoin and everything else. Hasn't it done that? So
yeah,
that's a good thing. You want that.
Down a lot more than the other alts were. At least the surefire like bet. The alts in the top 10.
Yeah, it was down more, but you should expect 258, and it's probably a good profit taking level. Just saying.
Cool. I'll keep that in mind. Thanks.
Yeah, 618 golden retrace, confluent with the measure move. That's pretty freaking nice. So I got to spin for Rimlog. Hold on, I'm freaking drunk. I mean, it is known. I'm drunk now, man.
So I've had about 4 chugs out of 5 spins, right?
Dude, you killed Logan, dude. You killed him. All right. I don't know. Logan's not gone, is he? Hey, Bitcoin 9143. Hey, we got stuff going on, man. Bitcoin, kind of session highs on the 4 hour high, whatever. Gosh, these freaking. I have to be like, I have to like look like a. Oh, hello. Hold on, you'll see it in a sec on the screen. The delay is terrible, but it's like because of this freaking thing right here, I can't be comfortable with this hat on. Hold on. Jesus. All right, Bitcoin. 9150 is the resistance. Truly is. We could be kings. But probes, seriously, look into Japan stuff. I'm ready to buy the ticket. Whenever you say it's probably the best time, I'll do it. Logan, sounds like you've already got your ticket. You're done. You're gonna fly there. So let's just figure out accommodations and all that, and just tell me where to sign. Kind of like Vegas in a way, but without that guy that kind of like, we had a high roller. You're screwed. 3 days before the trip. 9142. Holy crap, man. Bitcoin. The bearish divergence. Is anyone? Can y'all hear me?
Yeah.
Hello.
Okay, so it's like
Oi, oi.
the bearish divergence. What's going on? Like a higher. Are we in bullish conditions so strong that the divergence just doesn't play? Oh, it plays out, but it's only 2 candles worth, and it doesn't even back test the neckline. Are you kidding me? Maybe because the stock market's so effed. I mean, look, I'm not saying they're correlated, but people gonna be looking for yields during this time.
How's the daily?
Daily's alright. Daily's alright. It's okay. I mean, you know, it's bad.
Positive, huh?
Hey, bullish engulfing candle.
Looks like it wants to touch the 50.
Look, from your high point to low point, your common retrace 50% is 94.59. Close to 9,500, which is a target of that unofficial trade setup, right? And it's the measured move is around there too. Oh, Thymo Van Dongen, thanks for the sub, dude.
Van Dongen.
All right, which one of it was you?
Dude, who knows, man? There's people fart noise, you know, fart peoples. I don't know, like their names are just goofy. It's the internet. Welcome to it.
Fart people?
I don't know, dude. People like coming up with banana farts will be their name. Like, what does that mean, dude?
Farting people. It's like
Yeah. It's like hill areas.
It's like the cool people. You know? Like,
Hill areas are humorous mountains, right? The joke, remember the dad joke? Wait, Stay-at-Home Kings, have you ever used that joke on your family yet?
I think he went to bed.
Oh, he went to bed. Okay, never mind.
Best dad joke.
Awesome. I'll ask him later. Don't worry about it. Look, I'm about to be going to bed too. I want to get up for open at least for a moment before I just be like, oh, okay, it's all ruined. Okay, going back to sleep. Or we're ruined, or we're Kangs, going back to sleep. It's going to be one or the other, right? Not much you can really do in these. I mean, like, what do you want me to, what should I do? All in short, all in long. I don't know, man. I'm just letting the volatility. I want this volatility to just chill out. It's gonna chill out. It can't just like, hey man, this aggression will not stand. This volatility will not stand, man. It will die out in a week or two. It'll calm down. So just would like to see some patterns develop on some individual equities. Indices are gonna do their thing. Once the indices stop going nuts, we'll be able to trade the individual equities better. Like, I think we'll have, it'll be more chill and it'll be more reliable. But for now, it's like a crapshoot. It's like, look at Nvidia, man. It was a breakout. It was a breakout. And then it tried breaking out again today and failed with a bearish engulfing candle on the 60-minute. And now it's like not. And who knows where that thing's going to open tomorrow. Like, it's just going to gap down with everything else. It's like you can't play patterns in market conditions like this. It's too nuts. TA, you sometimes got to respect the TA, but sometimes you do need to respect market conditions and extenuating circumstances that are very rare and don't happen often. So they're like black swan events, things that just happen that we can't really, do anything about. You just have to let it calm down. Anyway, talking too much. I'm drunk. We'll do one more breathalyzer. All right.
You're talking too much? I thought this was a stream, dude.
I know, dude, but I'm still, you can definitely talk too much, even if you're a streamer.
I agree, Logan. I think Nvidia is probably something we should wait on.
Everything one should be waiting on everything. It's not because Nvidia's god stock. I think Nvidia is revolutionary. They own the GPU patent. They made my 20s. Hey, 0.091. What happened? Did I lose alcohol? I literally lost alcohol.
You lost alcohol.
Jesus. I don't know, man. I feel warm.
AMD is the king over Nvidia.
Said no one that was not a fanboy. I'm sorry, dude. I know, but he was probably kidding. Yeah, no. We're talking about technology. We're talking about GPUs. Okay, I get it. Yeah. But let's go back to 2016, 2015, when I bought Nvidia at freaking $23 a share. So timing is everything. Yeah, AMD was at $3, $5 then. Legit, $3. So yeah, Lisa Su, she brought it back from the dead. It got taken off the S&P 500. And I remember back in 2014 when it got put back on the S&P 500. So hype in the chat for AMD. I'm not saying it's a bad company. I think it's amazing. I freaking use their Threadripper. I think they hype in the chat for that. Yeah, hype in the chat for AMD and Nvidia. We can coexist. It's okay, dude. But I don't know. I'm never gonna own a Radeon GPU, dude. I'm sorry. I'm just not. Like,
I'm never gonna have Radeon.
No, dude. It's like never. GeForce forever.
Ripped through the
What
bottom.
what is it now?
The 10-year yield just ripped through the bottom. The previous low down another
0.81? What is it now? 0.7s yet?
0.819.
Oh yeah, it was that a little. It was about an hour and a half ago we talked about that. Yeah. It's terrible. Yeah, it hasn't moved much.
Daily. Oh yeah, it gapped down. And
Oh dude, we'll be in the sevens tomorrow probably. And the thing is, like, the market's gonna dump too. Like, it's gonna be terrible. It's gonna be terrible Friday, and then Monday might be Black Monday. Like, it's just the way it. Dude, you said it earlier. It's like when that thing dumps, what happens? Equities dump too. So just be prepared and understand that carnage to come. All right. So figure out the. What's up? It's all right.
Sounds like a bad omen, dude. Carnage to come.
Carnage, Corona carnage. Yeah, and it's done, man. It's gonna be a bad day, probably. It's a miracle if it's not a bad day tomorrow. Miracle.
these past 2 weeks, $1 million probably made $4 million in the 10-year bond.
Shorting it, putting it.
No, long.
Oh, long on the 10-year.
Yield dumps, price rises.
Okay.
Price goes up as the yield drops.
So longing the yields curve, or longing the 10-year yields, treasury bond, right? Would have netted you 4-1.
Yeah, it's up.
It's pretty lit. If some analysts think it's not going to go lower than 0.8, but I don't know what they're. What's your reasoning for that? What's going to make it not go below that? They didn't explain that on CNBC. Okay. Anyway,
It'll have to get to a point where the people that are trading it back. So yeah, the chart is, and it's in weird numbers, but it's US 10. If you look at like since Valentine's Day to today, like that is a gigantic move.
oh, certainly, man. It's been the talk of the town. That's all it's been. But look, dude, y'all, it's like 2 a.m. my time almost. I'm gonna get some sleep so I can wake up for the open just to be like, hey, man, it's crazy. Hype or not, whatever. It's gonna be terrible or amazing. I mean, it's gonna be a miracle from Jesus, or it's gonna be Satan's whatever, okay, one or the other. I just want to see it because it's gonna be crazy.
It's gonna be one of the three.
What's the third?
Yeah.
Satan, Jesus. What's the third one, dude?
Eh.
Meh. Yeah, meh. Not Jesus or Satan. It's gonna be Jesus or
All right,
Jayton, dude. Whatever.
Thanks for watching screen, and Rick Smits is gonna ask for Bcash.
All right, and then we're gonna get the wheel spins going again. Okay, that sounds good, man. Hey, thanks so much for watching, Jay. Be sure to jump to the Discord, man. Be sure to do the blockchain education in the Discord, man. Thanks so much. Sorry about the abrupt ending right there. I just had to. The fart noise. Okay. I freaking love y'all. Thank you so much for the likes, the love, the support, everything. Best community out there. Yeah. 4 chugs. I owed 4. I still owe 4, and it's not even fair because I chugged 2 or 3 on stream. Unbelievable. Figure it out, man. We'll figure it out. But until the next time, we won't figure it out. You better be ready for the markets tomorrow, dude, because it's gonna be a wild one. It's gonna be like pretty much like one of the final episodes. It's gonna be like episode 9 of all the Game of Thrones seasons, right? Episode 9 of all the seasons, the most dramatic episode, it's going to be like that tomorrow morning. So be ready. Till next time, respect the T. A.
Bruh.
Heart of this. 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 Heart of this.
You got any questions about the chat? Yeah, something just go to the chat images, man. Oh, yeah.
I can give you the power to create again. I can make you somebody.
I'm a robot. I like robot. I have a robot vagina.
Do you know the way?
Adios, turd nuggets.